Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. I hope everyone's had an amazing long weekend. We weren't with you guys trading yesterday, but I hope you guys killed it on the charts if you did trade. Or if you just enjoyed the day off from the charts, amazing. Sometimes we need to remember to do that, right? But regardless, I hope everyone's back, ready to lock in this week. Obviously, we have round two, guys. I am so pumped if you can't hear from the sound of my voice right now. I'm so pumped for round two. We are 16 hours away, roughly around 16 hours away from the first hour of trading for round two of the Grand Cup. That means if any of you made it, you will be going head to head against your first opponent in roughly 16 hours. So get prepared, do all the work you need to do because you only have that one day to make the most money. So it's all happening. I'm very excited. I hope we're going to get into it because I really hope the guy I'm up against is a watcher of the stream because he's a fellow Aussie trader. So it would be very cool and interesting even to know, Tim, if you're out there, I'm coming. And if you are out there, then I definitely will not be showing my trading on my Grand Cup account whilst we're on stream tomorrow. But anyway, regardless, guys, I hope everyone's had an amazing day, amazing night, wherever you are in the world. Let's lock in. It's another 3-hour London session stream, of course, and we will be joined by a guest today. So someone very familiar to the London session, of course, but I will not be giving any names away. You guys will find out when they arrive. And per usual, we will be joined by the No Stop Loss Butcher. So we'll get into all the fun Grand Cup stuff in just a second. But firstly, I will say my good mornings. Good morning, Awesome. Good morning, Akasha. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Miss Gaffer. Pava. Kiz is here. Good morning. Good morning, Prana. Kyle. Good morning, Deshaun. Deshaun is here, guys. Deshaun, we've missed you. Good morning, Misty. Good morning, Amia. Good morning, Hales. One Adam. Good morning, Fun and Shabam. Loop. Gerson, X-Tragle, Wesley, Tim Trades. Tim Trades, is it you? That's who straight away I thought it was when I saw I was up against a guy called Tim. I was like, wait, is it Tim Trades from the chat? Tim, let me know if that's you. Good morning, I am Manu Mouse. Good morning, Just for Fun. Good morning, John, Mike, Shane. Everyone's here. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, Tim says no. Sorry. Okay, damn. Well, I wonder who the Tim is that I'm versing. Anyway, so I guess let's get straight into NQ. Let's do the top-down analysis, and then we will get into all the good Grand Cup stuff because I cannot wait. Right now, this is what we're looking at for NQ. So we have had already a gap up to start the week off. So we do have that new week opening gap sitting down here. We have daily open at 29,676.25. So that is where current daily open is. And we have this gap from the Friday's close. So that is my definitely targets to the downside for today. I do think, as we normally see NQ react when we have these new week opening gaps, we usually run to these gaps to fill it, and then we return back to normal price action. So I'm definitely hoping for a sweep of previous 4-hour high and then a drop into new week opening gap for that run for today. But in saying that, if we just look from the top now, we have had the daily candle. Obviously, from the open here, all we've done is jump up. We have swept out previous day high. We've swept out all of those key highs on the daily. We've made new all-time highs here. So new all-time highs now sitting at 29,995 on the NQ. So we are very close. We almost tagged that 30,000 level that we've been talking about for so long. So it is in sight. It is in sight. But being that, looking at the way this candle has formed, I see this as potentially being the manipulation of the day, and now maybe we head to the downside to create that bottom we can distribute back down to that new week opening gap. So we have now successfully made that top wick, and now I say we flipped bearish and head to make that bottom wick on the daily candle that isn't there right now. Also for the bears right now, why I like to see this sort of reaction happen at previous 4-hour high sweep is because we would be tapping into a pretty strong bearish 4-hour gap. So if we do happen to get a sweep of that previous 4-hour high into this higher time frame bearish gap, that is an A+ setup for me for the shorts. So I would definitely be interested to take a short in that if I had the reaction on the lower time frame, of course, but that is sort of the framework that I'm looking for. So sweep a previous 4-hour high, align with a high time frame bearish gap in the direction of my trade, and then targeting levels to the downside. So levels we have today to the downside is obviously we have Asia low, well, my Asia low, guys. The Asia low that I have is 29,797. Sorry, I lied. That number is 29,770 is the Asia low. I am targeting to the downside. Then we have obviously daily open as another key level. And if we get to daily open, then definitely that new week opening gap to the downside. That's what I'm expecting. It could be an easy day for price action, or it might not. NQ could just, keep on pumping here. I would not expect that. I would expect some sort of bearishness. And considering Asia kind of did provide us a little bit of a drop here, it's not a huge Asia range. Right now from that high to low is 110 points. So nothing crazy for Asia. And since that low was put in, we have just consolidated here right now. So nothing of interest for me to be in. Haven't taken a trade yet. But I will hopefully take a trade with you guys and see what we get. But definitely preferring to be on the side of the shorts today, given that we do have that NWOG or new week opening gap sitting below. Now, that is what I'm looking at for NQ. Good morning to all of you who are just joining. We need to talk Grand Cup, guys. We need to talk strategy. We need to talk matchups. Obviously, the bracket is out. So here we are. Bracket is out. We can now see who we potentially could be facing each round. We don't Justin's like, Celine, hurry up, you don't have much time for the Grand Cup. But this is what we've got. So this is who are we facing? Mr. Tim Delahoyd. Tim, if you're watching, I need to know if you're in the chat, if you view the London session, I need to know, because that changes things. Guys, I can't be letting my opponents see my trading. Obviously, that would just ruin everything. But what I'm looking at here is he's from Australia. Okay, so fellow Aussie. I'm not going to go too hard, but that means that we sort of probably trade the same sessions. I mean, I'm guessing he doesn't potentially trade the New York session, so that's okay, because I was worried about that, being up against an American and having that, against me, because I don't generally trade the New York session from Australia. But in this case, I could be sweet, because he technically could probably just trade the Asia and the London session, and then he probably sleeps in the New York session. Or I could use that to my advantage and, maybe I do trade the New York session. Maybe I assume that Tim sleeps through the New York session, and that's when I make all my money. There's different ways to go about this. That's what's so exciting. The other thing is I won't be able to see Tim's balance the whole entire time. I'll be able to only update it 4 times in round 2. And in those 4 times it will update, but then after that, that's it. I'll have to just assume it's just going to be mind tricks. It's going to be games. It's going to be very, very interesting how we go about round 2. And hopefully I can do enough to make it through to round day 2, really, because after the first matchup here with Tim, I will be going then, if I make it through. Let's talk if I make it through that first day, then I'm going up against the winner of this round. So we've got Varans versus Powell Walensky. Then we've got another matchup there. So it keeps going. I don't know. Most people know how brackets work. So basically, winner of day 1 here and here will verse. Then you go winner of those 2 versus the next day, the next day, the next day. Now, the scariest part is the outlaw that I could be versing is Mr. Brett Simba himself. So Brett is in my bracket. So technically, if Brett and I both make it through all these days, we could potentially be versing here in the round of 16. So I'm obviously shitting myself, but also hold on a minute, 25k bounty inside. I need to lock in. As if I can knock off Brett, that is 25k. Okay, let's think about that. So I was already, I wasn't nervous or anything, but having Brett in the lineup here now, I'm okay. A little bit starting to sweat. I need to take this a little bit more seriously. So that's going to be an interesting lineup. Sadly, it doesn't look like I'm going to get Mr. No Stop Loss Butcher in my lineup, but we will have Brett. So that's going to be a very interesting matchup if it comes to it. Let's see. All I have to focus on, guys, is making it past day 1. So Tim, you're the first target in my sight right now. Once I knock you out of there, I'm on to the next. So let's talk. We're going to talk strategy. I don't know if Tim is here. Whether he's here, he might not even reveal himself because he's probably playing it smart. But Tim, if you're watching, you don't have to believe everything I say. I might be playing mind tricks on you right now, Tim. But let's see what you guys are saying. Let me know if you guys are in this round, made it to round 2, because I know some of you were killing it last week. And some of you in like the top 100, top 200. So a few of you like look like you were guaranteed to make it through. So let me know. Give me the updates. Where are we at? Justin says, I wish I was up against Salini's in 5K. Bro, Justin, you wish. Cameron says, thanks, Brett. Thank Brett for the bonus when you beat him. Guys, I will be needing a miracle to beat Brett, for real. Okay, CEO JC said made it to round 2. All right, Jesse, let me know what your name is. We can see your bracket in the Grand Cup round 2, and we can see who you're up against. Let me know your name, and I can look you up. AJ Trader said, I'm not in round 2, but where can I see the bracket? If you just head to tradeify.co, I'll put the link in here, guys, so then you guys can see the bracket yourselves as well. But this is so freaking sick. It's so cool that we can see from like very early on, we can sort of map out our potential route to the grand final. So if we are like, I can technically see if I am to win each and every matchup, who I would be facing in that semi, heading into the quarterfinals as well. But I prefer to just focus on Tim for now, because Tim's the guy in sight that I have to knock off first. And then each day as it comes, even if I get to that stage where I'm versing Brett, like I'm just going to have to lock in. Riaz says, I made it too. My name is Riaz. All right, Riaz, let's see who you're up against. Riaz. There you are, Canadian. All right. Where is Riaz? Let's just take me off there. All right, Riaz, I have you up against, is this right? Your matchup is against Euro 1 P Hub. Is that what you're seeing? Interesting. A US versus Canadian. That could get wild. That could get very interesting. But I mean, exciting that like you'll be able to see everyone on here that you could potentially face up against. Cameron says, I completely failed at round 1, but I did get 2 accounts to funded status last week, and I'm 1 day of payday, so that's probably even better. Let's go, Cameron. That's one way to bounce back. I mean, failed at round 1, but you still got 2 accounts to funded status, so who cares? You're still winning. But Riaz says yes. Okay, Riaz, interesting. Do you want to share a bit of your strategy or how you're gonna take on this head-to-head? I mean, the crazy thing is we won't be able to see the entire time our opponent's balance. I think that is the most that's the craziest part about this whole matchup, is that, I mean, because it changes things. If I'm ahead, say for example, I see Tim is only at, he could be down, for example, $1,000 and I'm up $1,000, and maybe I just hands off. Maybe I just wouldn't trade. I mean, these are the things we have to think about. We don't just have to keep trading. Like if we know, we can use the amount of drawdown he's in to sort of guess what I should do next. Or maybe we play mind games. I don't know. There are so many things. There are so many things to do. All right, Amir saying sweep sling. We had a sweep. Okay, wait, back to the charts. Okay, so pausing from Grand Cup excitement for a quick sec. We just did have previous 4-hour high sweep. So that's just tapped into the 4-hour bearish gap that I was looking at. So now technically I can get a setup for a short if there is a 1-minute reaction. So let's see. Actively now looking for my shorts. Where are my shorts? Hopefully we find them. Good morning, Inizio. Good morning, C-Money. I love that. Happy Tuesday. Yes, guys, happy Tuesday. May 26th. So we are almost at the end of May, which is wild. Where the hell did 2026 go? We are already almost in halfway through the year. Absolutely insane. But yeah. Russell says, definitely not selling trade silver with your strategy or you lose. These traders are animals. Russell, fun fact, silver is not going to be a traded asset in round 2, so we can go over that as well. The assets that will be allowed are AM EST, MNQ, NQ, gold, MGC, and then your oil, crude oil. So wait, I can bring that up so you guys can see it here. But basically, everything but silver. Let me just bring that up. We did just post about it on Tradeify's page, but this is basically it. If you guys can see this. So these are the rules. I'll go over it quickly with you guys, but pretty much you have to execute at least three trades, and hold each trade for more than 10 seconds. So these are the rules. If you don't follow these rules and you breach, and then, you know, you bottom out of the competition, which will be sad. So make sure if you are in this round 2, you must adhere to the rules. So we got that. Then the rules for round 2, which is different, is there's no drawdown rules. Okay, so that means you literally can use the whole 50k. So that changes things too. Like, I mean, having no drawdown is like having a live account. So you literally have the whole 50k to trade with. I mean, still max position size, the same as the qualifiers round, only 1 minute or 10 micros. So keep that in mind. And then we have the trading assets. So like I said, ES, MES, NQ, MNQ, GC, MGC, and CL and MCL. So those is what we will be allowed to trade. So although I told you guys that I was shitting myself about the silver traders, it looks like I'm going to be all good. So far it looks like that. Still, there's going to be some killer gold traders in there, I know, but I think how I'm going to go about this, guys, I'm just going to stick to my guns. I'm going to stick to NQ. Why trade things up? Why change things up when it comes to trading competition? Like, I should just trade how I know how to trade NQ, and I'm going to stick to that. Although I'm going to have to size down, I'm allowed the 1 mini or the 10 micros. I still think just stick to what I know. There is no point gambling or trying anything new in this competition. Colleen Fan Club, no DD rules. I don't understand. There is no drawdown. So different to like the qualifying round where there was in our normal like Tradeify challenge accounts, funded accounts work, is that you would normally have a drawdown, so you can't breach the account if you, for example, below 2.5k, for example, the account's breached. But in this round 2, there is no drawdown. You can run your account into as much red as you want, the whole 50k, pretty much. But yeah, any other questions on that, on round 2? Like, who else is excited? Andy C here says, when is the sign up for the next Grand Cup? I'd love to join. I don't know, Andy. Interesting. Let's get through the second Grand Cup. This is our second Grand Cup, but it is the most, like, I would say we're definitely going to do another one. I mean, I don't know. I'm going to be honest. I don't know when, but it is such a hyped thing. Like, everyone loves Grand Cup. Who doesn't love Grand Cup? It is the best trading tournament and a $1 million prize pool. Like, are you serious? I don't see any other trading tournaments of that size. So it's wild. Kisses, love the vest, by the way, looking very outlish. Oh yeah, thanks Kiss. Thanks for noticing. I'm wearing my I mean, it's a puffer vest, so not as outlawry, but it suited the vibes, I think. So we're going with it. Thanks Coquinho. Appreciate it. Judy, is that not an inversion on the 1 minute? It is. So the reason I'm not entering this is because I'm waiting for this previous 15-minute high sweep. So I technically want price to pop up and sweep this level and then drop down. So this isn't the sort of 15-minute candle I want to be trading in. I want it to sweep up first and then drop. Well, let me just check that in SMT with ES, because sometimes I miss the SMTs. Okay, no. ES did not sweep. Wait, where are we? Are we? Okay. Oh, we do have an SMT with ES at that previous 4-hour high. So that means that, as you guys can see, ES previous 4-hour high is still intact. We haven't swept that high there, sitting at 754,250. That level has still not been tagged. And then we have previous 4-hour high on NQ, which has been tapped. So there is an SMT there. That is probably why we are getting this immediate bearish reaction. But still, it's not my setup. I'm not in this trade. I will wait. We will be patient. Top G says, y'all should stop trading. I'm going to win the cup. Top G, let me tell you. Actually, where are you at, Top G? Let me see if I come up against you, because I'm coming. Guys, I am so ready. I'm so ready. I'm in like full outlaw mode. Like, I'm not going to be Miss Little Nice Celine anymore. You guys are going to see the other side of me. The other side of me that you know is there. Sometimes she comes out. But when it comes to this round 2 of the Grand Cup, I'm going to be so serious. Like, I might not even talk sometimes on stream, because I'm just going to be so locked in and focused on my Grand Cup account. Don't even be shocked if I'm just here in silence, like, so locked in on my Grand Cup account tomorrow. Wesley's like Sling talking smack to be knocked out first, Joe. Hell no, Wesley. That is not the attitude I want around here. And good morning, Leia. Wesley, you need to think about that. Okay, I want all the London gang to support. Trading markets, no, round 2 has not started yet. Round 2 goes live in around 16 hours. Where are we? 6 p.m. Eastern today. So that'll be my morning. So I'm going to be getting up way early for this. My sleep schedule is completely going to be out of whack this week, but it doesn't matter. It's all for good cause. It's because we take this trading tournament very seriously. Hey, Cicely, you have some killing to do? Oh, yes, I do. I need to knock these guys out of here. Trade Asia. Justin, I will be. I mean, I shouldn't be saying that if Tim's watching, but I'm going to be trading Asia. I'm going to be up early and trading Asia and London and potentially New York. Like, I think because he's an Aussie, there's a high chance that he sleeps through the New York session. So I think that could be my, that could be my moment to shine, the New York session. Because there's every chance that, I mean, he's Australian. He probably isn't awake during the New York session. So that could be when I just slap my mini on and just go for it in case I'm behind. Or, you know what? The idea is if I get a good enough head start on him, I'm just going to hands off. My idea there is like, why risk it? You know what I mean? If I'm already ahead of him, why risk it? Just let him try lose his mind and try and make money and hopefully blow his account. I mean, he can't really blow his account. Justin says you need to trade NY. Do you reckon? Yeah, I think I'm pretty set on trading NY. I'm just gonna have to do it. It's just gonna be a week where I'm tired, but it is what it is. If I can trade all 3 sessions, I'm gonna do it. Tradeify TV. Oh, Roman says you need to get a good sleep in the first place and also set the likes target. Okay, yes, Roman, you make a good point. Screw the sleep this week, Roman. I need to focus on my Grand Cup trading. But yes, like targets today. We obviously need to set the like targets to do the first giveaway and also to bring Nick on. So today we're going to start the week off at 315 likes to bring Nick on. And then we're going to say 435 likes to do the first giveaway, which is so doable. Don't even tell me that that's not doable. 435 likes first giveaway, and then we shall do more if you get the next giveaway goal. But for now, those are the targets. If you guys are just joining, make sure you smash the like button. I'm just checking to see how many people are here. Yes, that is so doable. Right now, there are almost 500 of you watching, so no complaining from you guys. Yes, Misty, 315 for Nick and 435 for the first giveaway. Let's go. Leia says he's clearly thinking the same as you. Do you reckon, Leia? I really want to know if he watches the stream. Tim De La Hoyd, show yourself. Tim De La Hoyd. I really hope he doesn't watch. I can't have him watching while I'm talking strategy on here. Lucky Mon says joined in and smash that button. Let's go, chat. Let's go, Lucky Mon. That's how you do it, guys. If you're just joining, there's literally like more than enough of you. If you each and every one of you goes and likes the button, then you know, we can do the giveaway right now. But we kind of need Nick for the spin the wheel, but we can make it work. Just go smash the like button. Colleen Fan Club. Celine, when your life starts every afternoon, it's like the sun rises for the second time. You are the dawn of the heart that makes you want to be a better man. Well, that is one way to compliment me. Thank you, Colleen Fan Club. Appreciate you, but that is... You always have the most wild comments, I swear. But thank you. Colleen, if you need to fight me, I'm in Bear Pit. We both are in different group. Oh, Misty, what was your... Hold on. Misty, we need the update on you. You're Blue Eye, aren't you? Let's check where Blue Eye is sitting. Blue Eye, you're up against Craig. If you beat Craig, you go up against... Oh, you'll be versing potentially Desi. You could be versing Desi as your outlaw. Interesting. How do we feel about that, Blue Eye Misty? How do we feel? Anyone else have an outlaw in their their lineup? or even versing an outlaw from day one. Let me know what you guys are up against. So Anub says, who's up against Spud? All right, let's see who Spud is up against. Good luck. All right. Oh, it's an Aussie. He's up against Leo. This will be interesting. So Leo, are you watching? If Leo's here, like, I need you to obliterate the Spud. Go for it. Just go for it. We know how the Spud likes to gamble. So he will be definitely going crazy in this tournament, but good luck. I mean, there's a 5K bounty there straight from day one. So good luck. Good luck. That's gonna be funny because obviously Leo can be awake for Asia and London session as well, whereas I'm not sure that Spuddy will be. So there could be an advantage there. Dead Sex says, I'm currently attending a wedding while watching live here. Well, that is dedication, Dead Sec, and I appreciate you. Honestly, that's amazing. And congrats to the happy couple, I guess. That's so funny. All right, here we go. So this is the trade that I wanted to be looking for. Sweep a previous 15-minute high, and then align that with the sweep of the previous 4-hour high, and a tap into this gray area is the 4-hour bearish gap that I have marked out on the 4-hour chart. So going to see if we get that bearish reaction on the 1 minute now, but I am definitely looking for a setup. Oh, Misty said, not me. My friend took my name. Okay, Misty, who are you then in round 2? Yes, Ori Haram London opens in 30 minutes. We are only 26 minutes right now into the Frankfurt Open. Killing Fan Club, other cup results real time or end of day. We will be able to see a full at the end of day. So like we'll be able to refresh 4 times updated on each other's balance. So you will get the update 4 times during the day. Those times I can let you know are, bear with me, and we'll get the exact time. So 4 times per session, you will be able to refresh at 9 p.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern. So all 4 times is when you will be able to update and see your opponent's balance, and that is it. Beyond that, you won't know. So for example, you'll be able to refresh. You have until the next refresh to obviously see that balance. So say it's like at 1,000 at what did I say? So say it's at 1,000 that you see your opponent's at $1,000 at 9 p.m. The next time you see his balance, it'll stay at 1,000 until 8 a.m. So at 8 a.m. potentially it's like in drawdown, he's gone into the red. Potentially at 8 a.m. he's in the same, like his balance hasn't moved. Or potentially he's like up. So yeah, it is only 4 times that you will be able to get the full update. Misty says you will know my name in finals. Ooh, Misty getting mysterious with it. Cameron says you missed Tim, Colleen. Wait, is Tim in here? Wait. Cameron, where is Tim? Is Tim watching right now? Tim! Oh, Tim's in the chat. Tim De La Hoyd. All right, Tim. It is so on. Oh my gosh. I am so ready to verse you, Tim. I'm not even joking. I have been prepared my whole life for this moment, Tim. So don't you worry about that. I want to know, are you trading from Melbourne as well? Am I versing a fellow Melburnian? Oh, brother. The guy isn't even Tim. He said, I'm trolling. I'm not Tim. Dude. I was so ready to go up against you. Got you, Mrs. Oh my gosh, it's Justin. Justin, get the hell out of here. Justin trolling. Justin, we are only a half an hour into this stream and you're ready with your trolling. All right, go away. Damn it, I really wish Tim was watching. Come on. I want Tim. You know what? Maybe he's just too scared. Tim is too scared to face me. Let's admit it, chat. Oh, we've got Mr. No Stop Loss Butcher in the chat. Oh, hello, Volume and Q, just with the quick drop there. Good morning, everyone. Put a good morning, No Stop Loss Butcher in the chat, and I want to know what the hell that drop was. Nick would be saying, zoom out, zoom out. But come on, that was a 33-point drop in like a second. Ooh, what is going on? 3 minute is having a setup, but I don't really trust this now. Facts, zoom out. Yeah, all right. But seriously, it was a bit dramatic, that little drop. Robot says, I'm opening a Grand Cup bets page for Colleen. Yes, I wish, guys. I wish we could bet on Grand Cup. You guys know I love a little bit of a gamble, and that would just be, yeah, that would be sick. We could place bets. Trading Market says news. All right, let's get a quick update. Did we have any, let's check financial juice. Did anything come through? I don't have anything on my end. We have Swedish PPI. Nothing major. Nick's probably laughing because it's like, it's just a 30-point, it's just a 1 minute candle zoom out. But for real, that did look a bit dramatic. There is a 3 minute inversion here that could potentially be a nice setup. But I'm going to wait for that London open. Let's just see. New 15-minute candle has opened now. So that previous 15-minute night, this previous 15-minute high now is also the next target to sweep. But interesting. Let's see. China, this is breaking news. Trump has finally decided to paint the White House. What? Oh, you guys are funny. Who's in trades? Chat, let me know if you guys are in trades. Nick, are we in any trades yet? I cannot wait. I'm kind of disappointed with the brackets, Nick. I do wish we were coming head to head. I know it's completely random, but I was hoping the randomness would still lead us to facing off. Ooh, Nick is long. Nick is currently in a long on NQ. So everyone, since 6 p.m. Eastern market open. Oh, hell yeah. You caught that. You caught the gap up. Nice. Well. I did say I'm hoping this drops into NWOG. I mean, you don't have a stop loss, so it's not going to hurt you if it does drop down there. No trades yet, Lucky Mon. Okay, cool. Neither. Waiting for a Super Asia high, says Misty. To-dos in longs. Hey, good morning. Orchid's path to success. Coquinho. Everyone goes short. Nick is in long and in shorts. Yes, probably those grey ones. Do we think, chat? Okay. Interesting. Sort of want to take the short off the 3 minute here. What's the 5 minute doing? Okay. If I can just get this set. I'm going to enter this short off the 3 minute. What the hell? Oh, lol, I'm trading micros. I was like, where's my order? Okay, we just got tagged into that. The stop will be above the high. And then I will place... I'm right now fading Nick, so you guys, this isn't good. But we'll see. Taking this off a 3 minute bearish reaction with the inversion. Stop is quite large, so 3 points. Trading this with micros. And then I will target the 1-to-1, which is roughly near previous 4 hour low, which is good. That'd be the first target. 781.50 is that level. 781.50. Okay. All right. Let's see. Good morning, Mo. Good morning. Good morning. All right, getting back to the chat now. What did I miss? Would you short into a 4-hour FBG? I'm shorting out of a bearish 4-hour FBG. So right now we have come up to tap into this 4-hour bearish gap, which is this one here. Okay, that also was a sweep of the previous 4-hour high. So that's that reaction there. And then with the sweep of the previous 15-minute candle, that happened in the last 15-minute candle, which printed this setup on the 3-minute. So that's why I'm currently in this short. We shall see. We shall see. I'm in micros. But let's see what NQ wants to do. Good morning, Jesse James. Sion says, I was able to get 20 points on NQ on that drop just now. Nice, 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 nice. Flashes in shorts. Is Nick in the schlong? Bogdan, you never fail to bring that one up every single day. Good morning, Vector Motorsports. Guys, make sure if you're just joining onto the stream, make sure you're liking the stream because we will be doing a giveaway and we need 315 to bring Nick on and 435 to do the first giveaway. So we know we got to do something about that. I'm worried that this down move was just the manipulation and we will come back up to sweep that previous 15-minute high. So I might actually just give my trade a little bit of room to sweep that 15-minute high also. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. John says, I was thinking London manipulates higher, then we drop. Potentially, yes, yes. We are roughly like 25 minutes away from that London open, so we could potentially getting a volume sweep happen before dropping. But like I said, I am targeting NWOG for the downside. But it might not be happening now. But I've left my stop in a place where we potentially could sweep this previous 15-minute high, and then I would be looking for another setup. So that's why I have moved my stop to give it a little bit of room. Trading this with micro, so it's not the heaviest risk right now. Why did you short at support? Well, my friends, I don't trade support. I traded off a 3-minute inversion with this displacement candle that we had at 227. That's why I was in the trade. But yeah, doesn't look like it wants to give the follow through. That's okay. If it wants to just continue to push, I will get stopped out of this, but I will look for another setup as well. We're still in this for now, but if it doesn't look too good, and if it does want to stop me out, that is fine. I will wait for another sweep and that same reaction to happen. Celine, do you see how much in profit is your opponent? Yes, Jalak, you will be able to see, but the thing is you can only get an update 4 times. 4 times total, that's it. That's all we get. So those times are, I will bring that up again. The times will be, you'll be able to get a refresh at 9 p.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. Eastern. Only those 4, and that's it. The rest of it, you'll have to guess. You'll have to work out how the hell you want to go about it because, I mean, it changes things, right? Not being able to see what your opponent is on. Like, do you want to take that risky setup or do you want to, you know, hands off and just hope that he's in drawdown, hope that he's blown it? Like, you know what I mean? It changes a lot. Amia, yes, taking this on funded at the moment. Those times are fixed. Yes, Misty, the times are fixed. Those are the 4 times that you will be able to get a refresh, get an update on your opponent's balance. Zar Trader, what is Celine? Who is Celine? And why is Celine? When is Celine? Good question. It is Colleen around here, so I don't know why some of these guys are calling me Celine. Like, who is she? This is Colleen. This is Machine Gun Colleen coming into this week. Get it right, chat. Brandon, who are you up against? Hold on, Brandon. Let me know. What are you? What's your name in the? I can search you in the Grand Cup in the bracket round, so I can see who you're up against. Oh, Trader Strife says we should have a chat room for our opponents. That would be. Wait, where we talk to our opponents? Says I don't want to talk to my opponent. Hell no. I don't want to give anything away to Tim. Mario Kart King, of course. Okay, hell yeah. I love that you made that your official name. Let's see where you're at, Mario Kart King. Oh, you are versing ELJ, another fellow US. Interesting. How are you going to go about it, Brandon? What's the plan? What's the strat? Are you going to be trading your usual setups? Trading market says if you don't trade oil, you don't have a chance in this second round. Interesting. I won't be trading oil. I can give that much away. I definitely won't be. I'm going to just stick to what I know. Sticking to my guns. Not going to try anything too special. There you go. Brandon's saying he's going to use his usual setups. Obviously, like, I am taking profit off at 1-to-1, but you best believe I will be holding my trades. Holding. Because we can. There is no drawdown as well. So, I'm going to be just holding. Jens Musga says, I'm in Group A, Jens. Let me have a look, Jens. It's so fun that we can find you guys on here now. We can see if we ever come head to head. So Jens will be versing BPC Trades, seed number 96 and seed number 124. Interesting. So Jens, if you be, who is your outlaw you might be up against? Oh, is there an outlaw in your category? I don't think so. So if you make that through, you verse the winner of these guys, and so on and so on. So it's very interesting, gents. How will you go about it? Can we tell what our opponent got in the first round? Good question. I think you can. Can you not? No, we can't. Let's check with Nick when he comes on. There must be a way to see where they finished. Leaderboard. Oh, this is so sick. Oh, this is for tomorrow. So this is where we'll be able to see everyone's balances. Oh my goodness. You'll be able to reload, but it will only refresh those 4 times. This is so sick. It's getting me so pumped. BPC is Braden from Top Step. You can see his YouTube and how he trades. Yeah, that'll be interesting. Like for the guys that will be trading live, like there you go, Jens. You'll be able to see like half the time what he's trading. So it will be interesting if people, I mean, are stupid enough to show their Grand Cop account on stream, I guess. But as they know, their opponent could be quite literally like watching them. Brandon says, yes, you can see their rank on your dashboard. I was 397 and he was 643. Oh, okay, on my dashboard. Hold on. Wait. I don't see that. But that could be because I wasn't in the first round. So that could be why. At which time will Nick Tater come? Nick Tater will be here as soon as we get the likes up, but he is lurking. There he is. He said I'm already here, so he's here. Everyone say good morning. Good morning to Nick. He will be here in around 15 minutes, so we'll let him do his hair, chat. We know he has that perfected hair. But yes, we do need the likes though. 315 likes is what I set for the target to bring Nick on. So 315 and then 435 to do the first giveaway. Mo says, Celine, I've got an Aussie. Can you swap them so I get a free pass? Hell yeah. Mo, what's your name in the tournament? Let me look up who you've got. Adam says feed him some likes, he's hungry. Yeah, we need to unlock Nick. He's right now caged up, and unless we get the likes up, that guy's not going anywhere. He won't be coming on stream. He'll just be chilling. He'll be having the day off. Okay, Moses 81. Let's check it out, Mo. Who you up against? I love that there are a few fellow Aussies in here. Trading. All right, he's up against Med. Seed number 202, Med 505. Let's see. I wish, like, how do we see where they came in on the leaderboard of round 1? I'm trying to work that out. There is a way. I'm sure there's a way. But we got a Brit versus an Aussie, so that will be interesting. That will be interesting. Mo, who do you come up against? Who is your outlaw? Ooh, potentially a Mars. Mo, you could be heading head-to-head against a Mars if you make it through. Wow, wow, wow. That is not going to be fun, let me tell you that. There you go, guys. Nick's saying he's going to enjoy summer there in Switzerland. So do we want him to enjoy summer or do we want him to come on stream? I think we know the answer. Oh, Gwen says I'm from Melbourne too. Hell yeah. Good morning to my Melburnians. Or good afternoon. Sorry, it's 4:45 in Melbourne. Yes, Mo. Amas is awesome. So good luck. If you do come up against Amas, I will be praying for you. That guy is accurate when it comes to trading. Ooh, Capashville, you want to know strategy? He goes, at Slim, what's the strategy to take down your fellow countryman? Well, let's say this. Team, if you're watching, I need you to listen. I will be trading all the sessions. I will be staying awake. That's right. I will be trading New York session also. I think that's my biggest advantage here because there is high chance that Tim is sleeping during those hours. So I will probably trade all sessions. I will trade my strategy. I'm not going to go anything crazy outside of the rules. I will trade my usual setup. You guys know that I usually take profits at the 1-to-1 level, but I will be holding for long periods of time. I'm going to be targeting those highs that I normally probably wouldn't go for. I'm going to target them. I'm just going to let trades run. I'm going to be more flexible with that. But I'm ready. I'm ready to trade all 3 sessions and I'm ready to just hold those trades. I mean, the thing is with the micros, I think the idea of trading 10 micros instead of the 1 mini because I do like to partial and I think that's a good way to lock in profits early. So I think that could be my system too. But I'm not going to say anything more. Like, I'm not going to give it all away, but something along those lines. That's what I've thought about. That's what I'm going to do. All right. So Tim, I hope you're feeling the pressure a bit because I do have a bit of a strategy that going into this. Most is the only strat that'll work is not sleeping the whole 23 hours, calling sick to work and algo level scalping. For real. I don't know what sleep is this week. I am going to be trading it all. Nick says, for some reason, I have the feeling that Sling will fall asleep 5 minutes into the NY session. No, Nick, I will be there. I will be trading at least, okay, not the entire New York session. That's a bit dramatic, but at least the first hour and a half, okay? That's only like 11:30. I can do it. I'm just going to be tired. I can do it. And then if I make it all the way to when I'm in Greece, then it's going to be much better. I'm going to be jet lagged, but I'm going to be trading like the afternoon, the New York session. So it'll be amazing. It'll be much better. Brandon says, my side of the bracket has Reg Trades, Trader Kane, Rebecca Spud, and Rips. Oh, Brandon. Rip. That's got to be probably the worst bracket to pull. How did you get so many? I mean, worst or best, actually, because there are so many bounties for you to collect. That's like, what, 5, 10, 15? That's like 25K in bounties if you knock them all out. That's kind of sick. But still, there is a lot of challenge in that. Silver degenerate. We can't, Robot, we're not trading silver round 2. That goes for anyone who didn't know the rules. Rules are simple in round 2. You just have to have at least 3 trades, at least 10 seconds each trade, and we are not trading silver. That is it. And no drawdown, which is amazing. Ray says, I think you're right. She'll them reach out to the winner and challenge them to battle. No, Mo, you're completely wrong. There's only one paddle match that's going down this year. We all know that match. Ooh, Nick says if Lumi and I win round 1, we face each other in round 2. That I did catch that. Let's have a look at that. That is one interesting. That's gonna be one crazy day 2 for you, Nick. Here I am searching Nick, but we all know his name is not Nick. Here we go. The no stop loss butcher. All right. Nick is head to head with Roger Rodriguez. Hola, Roger. Now, seed number 35. Damn. So, if Nick makes it through, here we go, like he said, he will verse the winner of Lumi versus James Huzella. So, this is going to be interesting. This will be Outlaw v. Outlaw already in day 2. So, Nick, there is a bounty up for grabs. That's exciting. That's only if you make it. That's if you make it past day 1. And if Lumi makes it, that is. So, after that, who else do you have? I think that's the only Outlaw you verse, is it? No? Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. So you could knock out... If you knock out Lumi, Nick, you got a straight run for the grand prize if you knock out everyone else. I mean, that's the only Outlaw you have. Very interesting. Colleen Fan Club says, I want to face Nick. I want to face Nick too, don't worry. I do too. That's for sure. Anyone, by the way, is anyone in Nick or I's lineup for in the brackets? Does anyone know if we will come head to head, or if you want to give me your name, I can check. But I would love to know if we have the potential to come head to face 1v1 with the chat. John says, I bet Miriam going to put in 12 contract short. She can't. John. She can't. We are max size 1 mini or 10 micros, so there will be none of that. No counter trend only. Silver is not allowed. Quick update on the trade here. We ran into some drawdown here, but we're now approaching. We're coming back down into break even. I'm just gonna check if ES swept that previous 15-minute high. Nope, there was no sweep there. Yeah, so still valid, still in this short. We'll see if we can get the follow through now. Looks like that we are inverting these 1 minute bullish gaps now. Let's see. At least this swing point would be the next low to get taken. And then we obviously have that previous 4-hour low and then so on. So let's see. Let's see if we can get the follow through. What is chat saying? YPS says, can you check me? I'm Max. Are you just simply Max? Max. Are you Max Travato? Max Equity? Let's just check Max Travato. If this is you. Is this you? Dude? Max Travato, where did you go? There is. Okay, Max, you have the potential. What the hell? What the hell? Let me see where I am. Wait, Max, where were you? Oh my gosh. In the bear pit. No, we don't verse. We don't verse. If that's you, Max, we do not verse. Jan says, I feel London going to push NQ higher. I hope not. I freaking hope not, because I'm in shorts. But if it does want to push higher, that's okay. I could potentially get another short setup, or if it wants to retrace deeper into this 4-hour gap. I mean, it has already made that top wick. We did sweep previous 4-hour high and tap into the 4-hour bearish gap. So I'm hoping the bears hold here and keep pushing those buyers away. Keep the bulls away. Come in, bears. Well, this is what we're in. Jesse James, do you enter your 4 hour and 15-minute sweep strategy if you are right near a higher time frame PD array, expecting a reaction against the trade, maybe half size or skip altogether? If I'm right near a higher time frame PD array, the only ones I take in consideration are a higher time frame fair value gap. So if we've swept previous 4 hour high, but it hasn't quite like tapped into the gap, like I'm waiting for that reaction. This is something I would take even if the gap wasn't there, but just with smaller size, for example. But the fact that we have tapped into a high time frame PD array like FEG, then I am in that trade with usual risk and in funded accounts. Kate trades futures. You're a young corny Kardashian. I mean, I don't think that's a very common lookalike I get, but thank you, I think. Mo says Friday was nerve-wracking. Should you trade or not? Constantly bashing the leaderboard for updates. Yes, Friday, I could imagine for you guys who were just out of that top 1,000 would have been like freaking out. And I did notice that top 1,000th place like jumped to like 13, 14K. So, I mean, who was safe? Who actually missed out? I want to know. Mister, you were pretty stressed about making it, so I'm glad you made it through. But anyone that just missed out, want to talk about it? Because a lot of you were close. Lobsterers do copy trade multiple fundeds at once or only trade one at a time? Yes, I copy trade multiple at once. Mia says, Salim, I asked what account size fundeds you trade and if you copy trade them. To answer your question again, yes, I do copy trade them, and I'm copy trading against 50Ks and 150Ks. Oh, PBXers, I would have loved to be in this Grand Cup too. PBX, till next time. I hope, I pray to the Tradeify gods that there is another Grand Cup, because it's just the sickest thing. It honestly is. Like, it's just so fun. The way it's for this format though, like I think that's just what's made it even better than the first one. First one was sick, but like this format going head to head, this whole idea of like not being able to see your opponent's balance, like it's like gonna be a game of like mind games at the end of the day. Like just, I have no idea. There's so much strategy now that's gonna go into this. So you can't just gamble, you know, there has to be a bit more thought and consideration taking. Flashes, I was very close to elimination, but the short 30 minutes before NQ saved me. Ooh, that would have been very a very stressful Friday afternoon, Flash. But I'm glad you made it just through. Oh, Brandon says, OMG, last I checked, I was 401 or something. Then the market closed and it said I got knocked out. 30 minutes later, it was fixed, but it had me sweating. Sheesh, that would have freaked me out too. Damn. Guys, now we're 3 minutes away from the London Open, which means we should be getting joined by the No Stop Loss Butcher himself. There are over 600 of you here, and we are only at 282 likes. So, guys, what are you doing? Go and like the stream, then I'll bring Nick on, and then we'll do the giveaway. We need 315 likes to bring Nick on, and 435 to do the first giveaway. So we are far, far away from the first giveaway. Kind of sucks. But I believe in you guys. Wook Soup is like, Celine, you sounding like a psychologist. Do you want to talk about it? Well, I mean, like, some people are still like, I mean, it sucks. If you were close to that rank 1,000th and you just missed out, I mean, that would mess with me. Robot said I blew up on silver. Didn't know how to use the platform. I set a limit short on my long instead of a TP. Then went to bed. I would have been up 60K. Are you serious? Robot, that sucks. Was this on the Grand Cup trading or like real trading? Like live account trading? Oh my gosh. I hate that. Jaden Terrace says, I was placed 23rd and it got messed up, so I'm hoping I can get in the Grand Cup. Round 2. Wait, Jaden, where are you? What's your name? I can see where your bracket is in round 2. Robot said Grand Cup. Oh, Robot, that sucks that you blew up on silver. Would have been cool if you were trading Grand Cup 2. Round 2 of the Grand Cup. Damn. Few of you blew up at the end. Oh, Ori Haram says, I was top 300 day one, then had a bad drawdown, finished roughly 1,500. Ugh. That's even worse, going from 300 to 1,500. It really sucks. But I mean, like, I should remind you guys, like, this is just all fun and games. Like, we don't have to, it's not like, it is like, I know we're talking about it like, you know, we've waited our whole entire lives for this moment this week. But it's really like, it is just a trading competition and it is just games. So if you really didn't make it, who cares? Get back to those funded accounts, the challenge accounts, get back into your trading and just lock in on those. But if you did make it to round 2, I mean, get locked in also. Gund Forest T1 says, I'm up against PB investing in day 1. Whew, that's going to be one interesting matchup. What's your, well, I can search up PB in here. Hold on. Wait. I don't want to know where Max is. I want to know where PB investing is. Okay. Shanaka, is this you? Shanaka, coming up against PB investing in on day 1. Good luck, my friend. Coming up against an outlaw on day 1 is wild. Now, it is that time. We have just approached London Open. Ding, 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 ding. And that means it is time to bring on the one and only. But I just need to double check that we did the like goals. Hold on. My intro voice was ready, but I forgot to check the likes. 1 second. Where are we at? Likes 331. Okay, we smashed a like goal. Let's go. It's time. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, head ever moving, GP trading, buy hacking, Mewtwo catching, stag with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat betting, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango, sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart, thrice humiliated. Thrice or 4 times now, actually. That needs an update. The one and only, 91 no stop loss win rate, 1 spaded, Deshaun, the one and only no stop loss butcher. Good morning. Nice intro. Good morning.
How we doing?
Oh, we doing? Let's just say
I heard something.
What did you hear?
That's gonna get you kicked out of round 1 and round 2.
What?
You said it's all just fun and games. What are you fucking talking about?
I'm not getting kicked out. Don't you worry about it. I'm playing mind games here. I'm sure Tim is watching. Okay, it's all mind games.
Talking about fun and games.
All fun and games.
If you're not in round 2 of the Grand Cup, you fucking suck.
Nick, guys, he's just trying to rage bait right now. You know what, Tim? Though, if you're out there, it's all fun and games. I'm not taking this seriously one bit. You know, I won't be trading all the sessions or anything. Well.
Why are you lying? Hey, come on in, everybody. Hope you're doing well. You already know, put a big fat 1 in the chat if you think Celine crushes it in the solo hour. And also if you think that she's playing games and she's going to get kicked out of round 1. Maybe not. I don't know. But put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the week, and put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to make some money. So let me actually put some 1s in the chat. Here we go. Nice. All right. Let's go. I'm in a long, you're in a short. We're fading each other. Nice. How was your weekend?
Weekend was good. I was going to say, welcome to Tradeify TV today. We haven't had this in a long time.
True.
But here we go.
True.
Weekend was good.
Nice. What did you do?
Winter has approached Melbourne, so it's been pretty cold. I was out with some friends Friday. What was I saying? So Friday I was out with some friends. It's just been, this is my last week in Melbourne, so it's just been a whole bunch of catching up with friends and family, doing all of those visits, and then, enjoying life a little bit. Because it's time to lock in this week, you know?
Uh-huh. Guess who? Guess who woke up at 11:45 p.m. last night to trade the market open for the Grand Cup? only to realize that the Grand Cup starts today.
No, that was me. That was me. Wait, because everyone was saying Tuesday the 26th of May. And like for me, that's today.
I was thinking in my time zone, my little...
So was I. Oh my God, I'm glad I wasn't the only one. Okay,
oh wait, you did that too?
Yes. I should have messaged you like while you were awake. I was up. Because Tuesday, May 26th, like that's today. These freaking Americans confusing the hell out of us. Anyway,
that's great.
Well, we worked that out. So it's actually my time tomorrow morning. So that's Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll go again this night. We go again this night.
Who is our guest? When are they joining?
We have a guest? I don't know.
Yes, we do. We do.
Really?
Really?
Well, let me check. Let me check really quick. Uh-huh. Aha. Aha.
So.
Okay.
I'm just actually changing. I'm going to take half the contracts off here. Sorry. Wait.
You're looking better than me right now.
Hold on. Okay, then I will leave the rest for the gap. Let's go for that full gap.
I just added two more to my position.
Nice. Damn, I might have to hold to the daily open. 29,675. If it can get down there, I'll be happy. 6. All right.
How are we doing, chat? Everybody cooking?
Everyone is ready for round 2. It's gonna be so fire.
They better be ready.
All right, limits are in. Let's see. Imagine NQ just wants to miss me. Oh, SMT with ES at that previous forever low level. Probably should have been watching that. Huh? It might be cooked. Let's just see. I'm gonna reduce risk though a little bit here because of the SMT. Okay. All right. So we're gonna talk strategy or what? You wanna talk about it? You wanna give us a sauce?
Oh, you're not gonna hear me say a single word.
Well, not even a little. Like we're not even head to head, Nick. Come on, we don't even have to verse each other in this.
No, but the problem is, I know Mr. Rocha Rodriguez is watching.
Senor
Rodriguez. No, I might talk about my Grand Cup strat, but not now. You know.
Oh, okay.
YPS says sharing is caring. Yeah, I don't care, man. I don't care. You'll see. It would be fun if Louis makes it through round 1, and then I make it through round 1, and then we face each other. That would be funny.
That'll be fun. You know who I potentially the outlaw in my friggin' bracket is Brett. I can't believe it.
That's 25k. Let's go.
I mean, I would
like to face Brett.
That's true. I know. I was sort of saying that. I was like, a little bit nervous, but also like, hell yeah, let's go because 25k just to knock him out.
Brett doesn't have time.
That's so true. Brett will be in Miami, right?
Perfect. Brett is a perfect outlaw to battle, you know?
All right, I need to take this for real. I need to really like lock in. Because if I make it to that 25k, you know, at least I have enough to pay off the paddle debt. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, guys, she just admitted. She doesn't have enough.
Guys.
She just admitted.
I'm kidding. I'll just I'll sell all my Rolexes, you know, each and every one of them.
Lucky man, yeah. That's exactly what it is. Buy low, sell high. Actually do it though. That's what we do.
How beautiful are my white Tradeify dashboard. Did you enjoy
Celine,
my screenshot?
This is like, you see it though, right?
Yeah, I see it, but I was thinking I do need to speak to Brett because we need to just turn Tradeify's logo to green and white. Seriously, I'm sick of the black. I'm sick of the dark charts, dark dashboard, dark everything. All right, I think everything looks better against white.
Celine, Celine, Celine.
Yes, that is my name.
No bueno. Oh, what did you say? 435 is the like goal for giveaway?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
indeed.
we're at 362. 362.
Let's go. All right, TP, come on, incoming TP. 786. We need 782. Oh, TP smashed at TP1.
Let's go to Celine's screen because she's in a TP.
TP1 smashed. And money gun is not working today. Thank you for that anticlimactic moment. But you know what? We still got the money. So we're still going to just do a little one of these. There we go. Money gun. All right, that's TP1, guys. So I'm going break even on the rest now. And then I have second TP at the high of that NWOG there, which is daily open, 29,676.50. We'll see if we can get down there. Who knows?
Who knows?
Who knows?
Well, Robot says they use dark charts in the Congo. Yeah, where's Francisco? Speaking of Congo.
Guess who was here in the morning? I don't know if he's still here, but guess.
Joe?
Joe?
Yeah.
Joe who?
Joe Mama.
No. It was Deshaun. No, it was Deshaun. Deshaun was here.
Deshaun was here. Nice. Nice.
Joe Mama. Oh. All right, wait. I need to log in. Okay. Justice Fund said I literally said it too.
Oh boy. All right, so you got your TP, so now I can get mine too, right?
Yeah, that's cool now. I'm break even. We can go up and take your TP. I'm happy with that.
Nice.
No problem.
Nice. Sparsh says, just a quick question for the evaluation account. Should I take it slow and safe or be quick about it? Well, that's totally your choice, my friend. Do whatever you want to do.
Do what you want to do. Is that what you're going to say?
No, you said that. Brandon, no, not true. You have to survive day one to get a prize. Is what I'm thinking. Or how I'm reading it. If you do not survive day one, you don't get anything.
Yes, it's going to be very interesting tomorrow. Very interesting. I really want to know if Tim is on here. Tim, I'm going to ask it again. If you're watching, reveal yourself. I need to know. I need to know how much I can say on stream.
Where you
okay.
at?
Asia Low just tagged on NQ. Okay.
Nice. We had two more.
Full TP on this is daily open. It's around 134 points. Let's see if we can get that on a... Oh, wait, it's not Monday today. I keep forgetting that it's Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah, innit?
Isn't it Tuesday?
All right, so I'm in 8 micros now.
Ooh, a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy for you.
Sure. Jesse, when is your short invalidated? I'm in a long. What are you talking about?
Tom Raider, I just hit my TP with the MNQ short. A nice green start for a new trading week. Let's go. We love starting the week on a green. We love even better, though, ending on a green. So let's keep it up. It's going to be a big week here. Big week with round 2. Need to lock in. I'm for real about trading New York, Nick. That was no word of a lie. I will be awake.
I know, and I'm for real with saying that you're going to be falling asleep after 5 minutes.
Well, I will probably I will trade it from bed. Let's say that, but I will stay awake. I will.
All right.
I'll just have to have a coffee or something. I don't know.
Best of luck, buddy.
Oh, hitting me with a buddy. We're not even going head to head, Nick. Calm down.
Yeah, I mean, look, we're just going to make it. Oh, sheesh.
Oh, power outage.
Just go down. You're just going to make it to the finals, you know?
I'll be seeing you in the finals, buddy. That's for sure.
That would be cool. Final, you versus me. Oh, yeah.
What are the chances of that?
I mean,
I have to get past Brett, really. But I feel like once you get past Lumi, you have a clear route. I feel like.
Yeah, the problem with Lumi is that her bread and butter is gold. And gold is more valuable than NQ.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you make it through Lumi, like, you're probably in the clear. But, like, being up against Lumi when you're not a gold trader is probably hard. It's going to be a tough one.
Yep.
I wonder what my opponent trades. That's actually true. Like, I need to think about this. If he's trading gold or oil for that, like, I'm cooked. I am cooked.
Well, we'll see. We will see.
MSR trades head-to-head updates just 4 times in a day. If they update every 10 minutes, that will be real fun. No, I think the fun is only in the 4 updates. Like, I'm not gonna lie, no, it just makes it more like interesting. I guess there's more room to play like mind games with your opponent, being that you could only see their balance 4 times in the entire trading day. So, you know, it makes it more interesting.
It is going to be interesting.
Parrot cows, how they trade against each other, both have own strategy. What? Who trades against each other? TRJ's looking for longs. Oh yeah, let's see where this poll came in. Let's see where the poll... 56% of you bullish and 44% of you bearish. So, more bullish today. Interesting. Heavy Dex, to answer your question, quite simply, no. There is no stop loss. Nick is the no stop loss butcher, if you didn't know.
That's right. That's right. Marcos, that's actually a good point. Let me think how we can fix that. Let me think.
I can't see his comment. Marcos.
Well, excuse me for a minute, Kelly.
Yes. No stop loss butcher, you're excused. Chat. Who is in trades? Justin says, lol, I forgot about the gap. Yes, bearish. Yeah, the times that I have gone against the NWOG has not done me well. So I've learned the lesson there. NQ likes to draw back to its new week opening gap. So This is why I have my TP just at that daily open. And it should technically smash through that, but I'm happy to take off full TP there if it gets there. I mean, anything can happen. You know, markets are completely random, but I'm just saying it tends to. I don't know the stats on it, but I mean, that would be interesting to get the stats on how often we draw back into NWOG. Like, it is an often occurrence. All right, let's see who's in trades. Okay, so Marco, I'm bearish till NWOG is filled. Okay, I'm long 787, says Yannick. Okay, few of us are fading. Sudip is still waiting for my edge to appear. Okay, that is the way to do it. Wait for your setups. There's no reason to be in trades just because Nick and I are in trades. It's all about training your own systems. So love that. Wait for your edge. Short and keep it just 1 micro. Okay, still in shorts. All right, somebody shorting. Interesting.
I'm back.
Hello. Oh, Aluendidi. I was in the same trade TP at the opening gap, but emotions got me break even. Damn it. Don't tell those emotions to shut up. Don't let emotions get involved, guys. That's when you make your worst decisions in trading. Stick to the plan. If the plan was to take full TP, then you let it take full TP. But I've been there. I know how hard it is. Just gotta stick to the plan.
Marcos, I wonder why I didn't have the idea earlier.
What is the idea we're all talking about? What? Oh, it's a Tradeify. That's even better. All of a sudden, this guy drinks whiskey. Fire, that is so sick. No risk, no Rari on the back. I want one. That's freaking sick. Guys, one's in the chat if you want one of those. I want one. I didn't even drink whiskey, but I just think that's cool. Misty at Tradeify, how can I get this? One. Amia, just hold. The guest is coming. The guest is coming.
Or is the guest coming?
That is true. Does guest know? Does guest know about this?
Well, I guess we'll find out.
We shall.
Sooner than later.
Oh, I need the flask. I need the flask, guys. What's going on? All I have is this water bottle.
Should have been in London, then you would have one.
All right, there better be one this time in London.
Wait, Jonathan changed his profile pic? What did you do,
what?
Jonathan?
Wait.
Oh, wait, I'll pull it up.
I can see that.
You're a legend. Go to my screen, Roman.
Wow. That's hilarious. I wonder if he wanted...
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even going to ask questions on that, Jonathan. That is funny. Oh, M1 Arms says we're almost there with the likes. Are we? Already? Let's see. Okay, 410 likes.
Caden says I accidentally pressed long. What should I do? Well, enjoy the ride, my friend. We're in these longs together.
Who said that?
Caden.
Oh, Caden. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm happy if the longs do play out. I'm break even now. So go on and take that TP. I'm okay with it.
I'm down for that. Everyone one step flask now, huh?
Yes.
How
What the
did I not
hell?
have that idea sooner?
I know. What the hell?
It's great.
Is it even? I think that's like a one-of-one, Chad. I don't know if you can get that on the merch store. I'm gonna be honest. I think that was a London special.
Nope. That was a London special.
So we just have to sit here and cry now.
Oh, dang, Jonathan, I'm jealous. You have 4 skydives today. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
What the hell? 4 in one day? Is that normal? Like one isn't enough?
Most I've done was 10 in a day.
10.
Mm-hmm. Why did that activate my Google Home?
Hi, Google.
Shut it.
Hello, Google. Wow, Nick. 10 in a day. That would have been some very yeah. Oh, interesting. Wild. How did you feel like going jump after jump? Like, was there a break in between? Like,
yeah, you usually have a break, like off. Depends, anywhere between 50 minutes and an hour.
wow, I couldn't even imagine getting up there and jumping once, yet alone like 10 in a day. It's like, yippee,
You gotta
let's
do it
again.
It's awesome. Really good.
And were you how long do you like free fall for?
A minute.
Like, I have no idea. A minute. Okay. Is that like up to you?
55
like
seconds-ish.
Do you get to pull the parachutes when you want, or like is it?
Yeah, of course.
You have to.
Of course.
So you could go longer or shorter. Like if I jump for 5 seconds and
more than 55 seconds, I wouldn't recommend that. Then you get cooked.
Really? So how do you know when the time is like when it's time?
You have an altimeter at your wrist. That shows you how high you are.
As if people have the time or the like capacity to look at their wrist.
Of course. You have to. And you also have an altimeter in your ear that beeps for certain altitudes.
Yes,
but I do the wrist one all the time.
If it beeps in my ear, I'd be able to. Yeah, because you're like a seasoned professional jumper. But for like a beginner,
I'm like a very beginner. I only have like 86 jumps. That's low. That's not much.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, Mario Kart King. I saw it. It wasn't a parachute. It was a paraglider, but I saw it.
Oh my gosh! Where? I have so many questions.
That's
what do you
crazy.
mean? Shit. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. So she survived it?
Yeah. She's an Austrian girl.
Wow, I have to watch
that one was crazy. Like she's literally just paragliding, enjoying her life, chilling. Then like a little Cessna flies into her
Are
shoes.
you serious?
Rips it off. Mm-hmm.
The fact she survived that. It's all on film, is it? I need to watch that.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. Ogden is asking, chat, is Nick getting cooked in this trade? Well, is he?
Taking receipts.
I don't. Well, he's just asking, to be fair.
I hope so.
He's just asking.
All right, everyone's talking about this paraglider. Hold on, I need to see the video.
Ah, Momo in the chat. Momo, I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Well, it is round 2 of the Grand Cup, so we gotta be, you know, playing our part. Ahmad, it's never too early to drink. Gotta stay hydrated.
Tim, I saw a comment that said she has the rest of her life to get the reserve chute open. What? I think that's still talking about the paraglider. I'm so interested to know how the hell she survived it.
Well, she had the reserve parachute.
Oh, so she was fine after that. She just pulled her parachute and then...
Yeah. I mean, as fine as you can be, I guess.
Interesting. I would be freaking out.
Oh, well, me too. If you get hit by a fucking plane. Duh.
This guy Cam Chem says that glider is like a stop loss when there's news coming out. Yes.
Crazy. It's wild.
But like, don't planes know that you're there? Like, that plane is just stupid, right?
Yeah, I mean, that guy's definitely losing his license.
Stupid pilot, yeah.
Dandy Shane Girl saying, Nick Tatut. Celine, I made it to round. Did you read my earlier comment? Okay, said I started Friday at 13,050, rank about 600 and felt safe and was not going to trade. I decided to take a small trade and increase to 13,286. The 1,000 person balance was 13,080. Dang! Oh, you did well. Congrats.
Nice.
Hey, what's up, Leia? Leia says, hey folks, I'm locking it up. I'm catching myself being annoyed at the charts. I also have so many errands to run today. So I'm going to be focused and not think of the trades I could have taken. All right. Have a great day.
Enjoy your day, Leia. Much love.
Trader Sue says, all the best to my two favorite people. Go Tradeify. Hey, hell yeah, Trader Sue. Have an amazing day.
Appreciate you, Trader Sue. Clash Clan says, where can I follow the results of the cup I was eliminated previous round? You'll be able to see now the entire bracket of round 2 and who made it. If you head to this link, this is the bracket to see who made it. But Nick, a few people were asking if they can see the leaderboard result of their opponent. Is there a way we can see that? I wasn't sure.
Leaderboard results of their opponent. I mean,
like where
they ranked in round 1?
Yeah.
No.
Because now the leaderboard, when we see the one on Tradeify, if you guys see my screen right now, this is the leaderboard for obviously the jewels round. So the round 1 leaderboard is no more. This is what we'll be watching every single day until the 9th of June, which is crazy because by that point I'll be in the Europe time zone. I'll be trading from Greece if I make it that far.
Okay, now I wonder where is our guest.
I don't even know if he's like actually in his home country right now. I think he might be traveling.
True. I think we won't have a guest today.
We shall see. I feel like guest would have commented. I feel like if he was coming on.
Some people asked why this long? Well, the answer is in the flask. Everybody.
That is so sick. No risk, no row. I might just have to go and get that like monogrammed onto my water bottle just to fit in. Just get the no risk, no row, yeah.
Oh yeah. Roman, let's go back to the charts. Thank you. Thank you.
Previous day high level now. We're at previous day high. I might start dragging the stop into profit here.
Stop into profit, yeah?
Yeah, into profit. PPX, I was wondering the same thing. I think when the guys put my name in, they probably assumed that when I said Machine Gun Colleen that I had spelt my name wrong. So, Nick, funny story, I told Joe it was Machine Gun Colleen with a K and he still put it through as Machine Gun Celine because he probably just assumed I did a typo there. So that was funny. But you guys know who it is. There's obviously no other Machine Gun Celine.
I saw it too.
You guys from down under, eh?
Eh?
Spoop, spoop. Spoof troops, I am from down under for the next week. That is.
Where's your final TP again?
67650.
Love it.
67650. Daily open.
I saw Justin got you good this morning.
That was what a troll. And you know what? He used to have that name for 2 weeks now. What is he gonna do? Like, he's trolling himself yet again, Justin. Yet again.
Well, it was worth it, I would say.
It was funny because I was getting all pumped up. I was like, "Oh yeah, Tim's in the chat." And he's like, "Lol, it's not Tim."
That was funny.
But for real, Tim, where the hell are you? He's been very quiet, and he's an Aussie, so I know he's awake trading right now.
Well, it doesn't mean he's watching us, you know.
Well, he better freaking be. I hope he is. I'm checking on the likes, by the way, because I think we might have smashed. Did we? Yep. The like target has been smashed.
All right, let's run a giveaway. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, who did that? Who did that?
Who? What? What? Oh,
Please.
Whoa. Who the hell? Excuse me?
Oh yeah, once I send you the link to the Google form, chat, fill out that Google form, only do it once. If you ask me where the Google form is, then you get disqualified. If you fill it out more than once, you get disqualified. And if you ask me like what the Google form is, how the Google form is, what form I'm in, or whatever sorts of questions along the lines of that, you'll get disqualified as well. And yeah, with that being said, let's run the giveaway, I guess. Gotta first take out all these people who already filled it out. You guys are disqualified. Nice.
You guys are just trolling. My motivation is just to prove this chat wrong. All of you think I'm not even gonna make it past round 1, but you just watch tomorrow.
I guess we'll see. Okay, maybe baby, where's the Google form? You are disqualified. I'm still waiting for the day where somebody disqualifies themselves and then we spin the wheel and it lands on them.
That's I know.
Such a great day.
I know. Some people really deserve that because they do it every time. I don't know why. Who doesn't want to win a free account?
Exactly.
Literally free.
Bingo. Hey, Spoof Troops, thanks for sharing.
Okay. Lucky Mom says, MG Colleen, I'm rooting for you and Nick all the way. Hell yeah. Thanks, Lucky Mom, because some of you, or one of you, wants me out of here. I'm watching.
Wiggle says, yo, I lost one of my fundeds. Give it back.
The whiskey flask is crazy.
It's great, huh? What do you mean whiskey? There's no whiskey in it. There's no whiskey in it. Sparse, yeah, their name is still on the wheel. Oh, if it lands on them, they just get removed and we spin again.
It's better that way because then they can, feel the burn of not following the rules.
Celine, I actually did observe it today. I did observe it today because I wanted to see if it's the case. You actually did ignore Suriluki, so.
Where? I swear I don't see it. Suriluki, I had actually a really nice lunch today. This is the day you can ask me because I was out for lunch, so it wasn't my usual. I had Korean barbecue.
Korean
Have you
barbecue?
had that before? You know what Korean barbecue is? Yeah. Where you can like cook up your own like wagyu and stuff. It's so nice. So I was out for lunch. Really, really nice. So I'm very full because obviously like you can make as much as you want. But thank you for asking, Sriluki. I have no idea. Like, I don't know why. You need to change your name or change your profile picture because it just gets lost in there.
Don't. I see you every day. Every day I see you, Suri.
Sorry, Suri.
Sriluki. No PPX trades. I haven't had lunch either. It's 9:39 here a.m. Take it to them. Is there ketchup in that flask? Absolutely, sir.
Imagine.
Pure
Austin.
ketchup. Mm-hmm.
Paid in full trades. I'm excited for the final showdown. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so sick when we get down to the last two. Ooh. The entire, like, I mean, it's so sick that the head-to-head, like, it's day in, day out. You'll be going, like, up against someone new every single day. So every day now, really up until that final, is going to get really heated. It's going to be sick.
Facts. Those are facts. Can you hear that?
Yeah, what is that?
The toothpick. The toothpick guitar.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Jimmy Trades. Jimmy, are you in round two?
Mm-hmm. I gotta play this real quick because it's too nice. 1 second.
Vibes.
Vibes, nice. Well, Robot, you're too late. He says we should go in business and make flavored cowboy toothpicks.
Did you get the minty ones yet?
Too late.
Those the minty flavored ones?
No, they're. Do you know those? It's kind of like candy, like blue candy. It's very like it's a very childhood thingy in Switzerland. I don't know if it was around the world.
Blue candy.
But that's what it smells like.
Do you know if you know the Switzerland name? If you know the Swiss name for it, I'll look it up.
I don't know. It's just blue.
Oh. Blue candy. Well, no, I don't think so.
That's okay. Like, why long?
This is all we're gonna get out of Nick all week. Just prepare yourselves, chat. He's not gonna give one bit away of his strategy. I've already tried. And I should start to be a little bit more, you know, I gotta stop revealing so much too. I answer too many questions here.
Well, maybe you're lying.
That's true. Maybe it's all games. That is true. You'll never know. Tim, you'll never know.
China says, I know Nick's strategy. I bet $1 million you don't.
Oh, these cowboy hats get a bit itchy sometimes.
Lucky Mon, Nick, are you a Rari or a Lambo guy? 100% Lambo. Rari don't even come close. Not even close. That's what this is.
All right, is it giveaway time?
Oh yeah, giveaway. Sure. Let's run one. Just gonna look something up really quick and then, because I want to know what this blue candy is called, but I can't remember.
Yes, I want to know what it's called. I bet if I search...
I can't remember the candy. Mo, do you remember? Momo. Die kleine blauwe Zeltli da mit Miesbär drauf. Wie haben die geheißen?
Maum?
Huh?
Maum. M-A-O...
Oh, are you talking about Mauam?
Yes.
No.
Maum.
Maum. Oh, that's funny. Marco, is this man German? No, this man is Swiss. But he speaks German if he wants to.
Oh, good figure.
All right. Initial Maverick says meow. All right, let's actually run the giveaway though. Copying everybody over. First, I gotta check if the asshole is back. No, he's not. Amazing. That is amazing. All right. Cool. Copying everybody over.
Let's do it.
Guys, this week is real outlaw week. So if we land on you suck, we're not giving away a second chance, okay? Then we have to hit a new like ball.
Let's do it. We've been too nice. Also, no more Mario Kart because, sheesh.
Yeah, we will do Mario Kart, but I have different rules for it.
Oh, there we go.
All right, the winner of today's first giveaway is Corrupt68. Corrupt68, type something in the chat.
Let's go. Let's see what he won. Wait, is he? There he is. Hi, he said.
Corrupt is hi. Hi, Corrupt. Are you corrupt? All right, let's see. Growth, select, or lightning account. What is Corrupt gonna get? Or you suck. Let's see. No, it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something good.
Oh, something good. 150?
All right, 100K growth account.
Nice.
100K growth account. So Corrupt, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. I see it's already there. Make sure it is your actual Tradeify login email, because otherwise we will not be able to send you your accounts. It's going to take up to 7 days to receive your account. And good luck and have fun. Congrats.
Enjoy and get that to a payout.
I like how your email, how your YouTube description is your email address, and then thank you, Tradeify. You, sir, are a legend.
So that is the first giveaway, chat.
First of many more today.
Many? Meaning more than two?
I mean, throughout the entire day.
That is true.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, what is that? Just came through.
They're cleaning. They're cleaning the blinds outside.
I see. It's very faint. It's not that loud.
Okay, cool. It's really loud here. Might have to close my window.
It's not bad. I think it's pretty muffled.
Cool. Coolio.
How do we enter the giveaway? How do you join the giveaway? Well, for the next giveaway, there will be a like goal. If we smash a like goal, you'll just have to fill out the form that Nick sends in the chat. That's all there is.
Factoronis.
Factoronis?
Factoronis. You know it.
A robot said, if I get you suck, can I double it and give it to the next?
Sure. You can gamble at a you suck. Oh, already tired?
I don't know what's happening today. I gotta stay alert this week. I'm training all 3 sessions over here. Next light goal.
Okay, wait, I gotta go close that window. It's so loud.
Okay. It's not that loud for us, but that would be annoying if it's loud for you. Luke, you just missed the giveaway link. Yes, but we will do another giveaway in just a minute. I was just about to ask Nick what he thinks for the next light goal, so let's just wait. The
next light goal?
Yes.
What? Let's make it 801.
801?
801.
All right. 801 likes. That's big.
Well.
For the next giveaway.
Is it?
Yes. Yes, it is. But we're outlaws,
so we're not ignoring you, dude. Why can't you see yesterday's candle? What are you talking about? What candle don't you see? Marcus, just joined this chat. What trades are you all in? I cannot see this clear here on YouTube. My friend, I'm zoomed in and everything. I can't make it more clear than that. I'm sorry.
How about you just switch to white charts, buddy?
I'm in a long.
I'm so sorry, Marcus. I'm so sorry for his dark charts. I'm in a short. Still in a short. Holding a short, but I'm break even. We'll see. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, Marcus, I make you. It's correct. That's what you wanted to know. That's a very fair point. Misty, I'm disappointed in you, honestly. Misty, you always were supportive. Seems like that's over.
Well, Misty's in round 2, so Misty doesn't care about being supportive anymore. Should I say Blue Eye?
Blue Eye, yeah. Well, who's Blue Eye facing? Let's see.
Actually, he changed his name. Sorry, we looked at Blue Eye and he said, "No, my friend took my name. It's not me anymore." Yeah, but he said it's his friend. Is he capping? Is he lying?
Well, if your friend took your account, because you weren't able to change your name again. So if your friend took your account, then you're disqualified because that's illegal.
So are you Blue Eye or not? I think he's lying. Can we bet polymarket on this?
Why are you lying? I got so many receipts for today. Can't wait.
I love that. It's always a good day when we have receipts. Always.
Oh, you know it. You know it. M2? What the hell?
What? I mean, unless you know something I don't know, but I definitely am not pregnant. Bro, what?
Some people.
Oh, because I have maybe they think I'm like hiding my stomach or something with my vest.
Are you?
No, I'm just kind of, I was like, I need the vest vibe now, Outlaw Week. No, I'm not pregnant. Is that what you're asking, Nick? For real? Pregnant.
Well, Fairtube, are you even in round 2?
Me?
No, this Fairtube. I know that you're in round 2. What the hell?
I thought you were trolling. Which guy? Oh, FurTube.
Ah, okay, Misty, you only switched the name. That's weird though. Why would you do that? So what's your name now, Misty?
He said he didn't want to tell us, or she didn't want to tell us.
Why? Last week you were blasting friggin' blue eye, blue eye, blue eye, blue eye, blue eye in the chat. Now give us your name. Come on now.
Yeah. Now he wants to act all mysterious because he doesn't want to know where he's at in the comp. Oh, sounds a little bit scared, Misty.
Chat says, congrats on the baby, Celine. When are you due?
Brother. Guys, where is this coming from? I'm like, he's so confused.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Shut up, Nick. Chat, like I did eat a big lunch, like Korean barbecue, not gonna lie, but that much? You guys think I'm pregnant? What the hell, this chat? What the hell?
John is asking, are you having a gender reveal party?
Absolutely, yes. None of you are invited. None of you.
Not even me?
No, not even you.
Damn.
Hell no, not you. What do you mean?
Wow, okay.
Two males, one Nick Mel.
What?
Guys, make it make sense. Sil says you don't mention a girl's stomach ever. What the fuck's wrong with you? No, I need to know. If I'm looking fat, I need to know because that means I need to step it up.
True. She has a pink colored light behind her. So it's a girl.
No.
This is the gender reveal party, everybody. We're all invited.
Surprise! No, guys. For real. Imagine that doing a gender reveal on Tradeify TV. That'd be sick. No, but can we stop this? Because now I'm like feeling weird. I'm not pregnant, guys. I hate to break it to you, but I'm really not pregnant.
Noginvest says, Nick, your long scares me a little bit in NQ. Why does it scare you? And her char candles are pink too. Right.
And my candles are pink, but guys, they've been pink
we
for so
are
long.
onto something.
And low key, I actually want a boy first, so can we not?
The universe doesn't care what you want. You get what you get.
Well, you guys are pushing the girl thing so much. Like, let's just zip it. Because
why do you want a boy?
I want the boy first, and then I definitely want a girl. But I want to have an older brother and a younger sister situation.
Michael says, fiance better not be watching the stream right now. Odd way to find out he will be a father.
I know, imagine. Oh, can I get off the stream and tell him? Well, the chat told me I was pregnant today.
FurTube says, there's only one outlaw in my bracket. I don't know if that's something good or bad. Well, that means you can only make 5K off of outlaws.
Unless you're me and you're facing Brett, that means you can make 25K.
True. Amir, yeah, guest is not gonna join.
Poor Amir is waiting. No guest.
You know it.
Have a boy first, you'll never want kids again.
I bet. I was fighting with my little nephew yesterday for like 2 hours. You get so tired. It's so fun,
Does
but
he have siblings?
Yeah. I have 2 nieces and 1 nephew.
Oh, that's why. He's with the sisters. But is he firstborn?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, and he always wants to fight me. It's the funniest shit ever. It's a good workout. He's like so light, I can just throw him around the room. Great.
No, you don't throw your nephew around.
Oh, hell yeah, I do. It's fucking fun. He loves it.
I can actually imagine it. And Nick's probably like, you'll never beat me, but he's playing with like a little boy. Nick takes every competition seriously.
He's so funny. He's exactly the same as I was when I was a kid. And it's so funny. It's so funny to see. So yeah, we fight all the time. It's great, but in a fun way.
Of course.
He always pulls the secret moves, you know. It's like he obviously clearly loses, and then I fucking hold him up in the air like that.
Oh.
Right, and he goes like, "Haha! I just farted in your face."
He knows. He's playing good. Yeah. He'll be a good trader.
Sneaky. Max Algo stage 2 hasn't started yet, but Colleen and I thought the same, so you're not alone. Stage 2 starts at 6 p.m. EST tonight, so in 8 hours.
Yes, lucky for the countdown.
No, it's not true. Stupid. In 14 hours.
Yes. If there was no countdown, I was like panicking. I was like, wait, where's my account? Why haven't I like... Then I realized there was 16 hours.
You
should name the baby after whoever knocks you out, Celine, in the cup.
Dang, her baby's gonna be Stop Loss Butcher? No Stop Loss Butcher? That's pretty cool.
Bro, we don't even... I hope we come head to head in the finals. If it's even possible, but...
That would be fun.
We can just have our own Grand Cup another time. Just to finalize it.
Yeah. We're gonna have the Grand Battle Cup. All right, we need 801 likes to do another giveaway, chat. So get to work, everybody. Press that like button.
Don't just press it. Smash
Absolutely destroy it.
AG Trade Away, such a hater. He said the baby's name is already set. If that is the case, the round 1 guy. Tim De La Hoyd.
And it's a girl too, damn. Tim De La Hoyd.
There's just, you cannot feminize that. That's just straight up.
No, you just don't. It's just
Tim De La Hoyd.
Hey, Furtube, you're in Bern? Dang, I'm in Lucerne. It's hot here too. But it's nice, I like it. So nice.
Like
summer is really back.
Now?
Yesterday we got 30 degrees. It was so nice.
Wow.
Yeah, summer is so back. Summer is so back.
That's so sick. I cannot wait for the summer now. 1 more week. Let me check the weather in this.
Dang, we got Fudge in the chat. What's up, Fudge? Haven't seen you in a while.
Hey.
Drops.
Morning,
Our grandpa
Fudge.
says, name the baby Drop. I dropped you as a baby.
Oh my gosh.
I certainly was dropped on the head as a baby.
Oh yeah. No question. No doubt.
Jalen says, I forgot you foreigners speak in Celsius. You guys are literally the only stupid people who use Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I talked about this on stream the other day. Like the fact that their 0 isn't the coldest temperature. I mean, like,
no sense. It makes no sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Well, 0 isn't the coldest here either.
I mean, yeah, you know what? I'm not going to go into it, but you know what I mean. 0 is the freezing point. It makes so much
sense that 0 is a freezing point. It makes no sense that like fucking 37 or however much it is a freezing point. It makes no sense.
Random.
Blue. We should put baby names in the wheel.
What?
Okay.
Just decide my baby's name here and now on Tradeify TV.
Sure.
Names.
What are the options, chat? Put some baby name options for Celine's baby girl in the chat.
It's not a baby girl, damn it. It's a boy.
Why is your light behind you pink? Why are your chart candles pink? Because it's a girl. We know it.
Wait. Oh, snap. Who's having a girl now? Who's having a girl
just
now?
change your lights to blue. We know you have a girl. Okay, AI Colleen, that's a good name. George, sure.
George.
Hannah, oh, duh, obviously Hannah.
Hell no.
Undertaker.
Ooh, the blue's kind of nice.
Oh, so
Should
instead of
put red
Hannah,
over
you can do hell no. That works.
You guys are so annoying.
Even the money gun is pink. That's right, AT Trader. Oh, of
Okay,
course.
that's kind of true.
It's gonna be Deshaun. It's gotta be Deshaun.
Oh my god.
Overnight
That's
oats.
not bad. That can be for my
Okay.
son. Deshaun for the son and
Deshaun.
Joe Mama for the
Johnny.
Hey,
Oh, with the
John.
H before the O? Damn. It's wild.
Oh. Crazy.
Louise. Yes, Marcos. Justice for Hannah. Everybody put a hashtag justice for Hannah in the chat. We need to
Oh
show
my
our
God.
respect.
Show it all you want, but she won't be seeing this. She's far away from the Wi-Fi, far away from YouTube.
Don't even know.
Who's that spamming? I wish I had the rights to block you sometimes. I wish.
I don't know, but justice for Hannah. He's right. The schlong.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
That's
Yes,
crazy.
Focal. The duel start tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern time.
Rave Euphoria. Today, my duel starting with Canadian opponent. Any recommendation? Well, it depends. It really depends on how you want to take this. And it would help if you knew what your opponent trades. Like, huh?
Nothing. Keep going.
What? It would help if you knew whether your opponent was trading gold and Q oil, because I feel like all these things need to be taken into consideration. Like, who are we actually up against here? So I guess we'll never know. So it is, at the end of the day, a risk. Whatever trades you decide to take, just take them with consideration that your opponent might be taking a trade on gold, and obviously that is more valuable than the trade on NQ. So just trade as much as you can. I'm going to say that. Just trade as much as you can. As many sessions as you can. As many times as you can. And you should be good.
Sure.
Cam Jan, is Hannah a gold trader? Guys.
Dr. Research. Why is Nick always losing, but Colleen is always in profit?
Lol.
Well, clearly, Colleen is a better trader.
Oh,
right?
wow. Obviously, guys. Like, I'm obviously the veteran trader here.
Of course.
Come on. What, Nick thinks he's been trading longer than me? What?
I'm actually
No way.
in Colleen's mentorship program.
It's true. We didn't want to tell you guys, but Nick actually only started trading last year. So
Yeah.
I'm the veteran, and he just basically, like, after we get off the stream, we go straight into our mentorship and we talk about what went wrong.
Yeah, I have
Nice
one-on-one
trade.
coaching even. I paid her
Yeah.
67,000.
Yeah, and he had to do it in installments. I said, that's fine. Like, I appreciate, like, your honesty. You didn't have enough
I'm not
money.
rich as you. Like,
yeah, and it's fine. I understand. So I don't do this for everyone, but I was like, Nick, you know what? Like, I will do this for you. And we're doing it in installments. It's $67 each time.
yeah.
So yeah, that's the mentorship.
I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I learned a lot.
Yeah, good. I'm glad. I'm very glad. So we're slowly, like, obviously we're not fully there with the stop loss yet, but it is something we're going to teach in the next few sessions. We're going to start to maybe think about how we can implement the stop loss, but yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I just can't find the button.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. We don't want to get fully into it with the chat because this is private. Like, Nick pays for this session chat, so I'm not going to fully get into it, but it is something that
That's a good point, Marcos. If you're paying Celine, how come Celine is owing you money? Well,
plot twist. This has been one of the longest trades I've been in. Seriously.
How long have you been in it?
Let's find out.
We missed you, Fudge. Great to have you back.
An hour and a half. Are you for real? An hour and a half.
Okay. Celine, I've been in this trade for
what?
10 hours.
Did you have a good sleep after you entered that trade? Like, how do you put on a trade and sleep?
Phenomenal sleep. Although
Damn.
I fell asleep on my office chair, so not really.
That's crazy. I could never.
I've basically been on this chair for 10 hours. It's great.
So now is this crazy?
Clip God says, "The fuck is that, Nick? Ha 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 ha! You didn't see that 4 FVG?
Oh my gosh! Not the 4-hour FVG.
Not the 4 FVG, Clip God. No, you should have told me. No."
Colleen, are you German?
Yeah.
What gave it away? Wie geht's?
Yes, you speak very German, you know. When you speak English, everybody can hear that you are German, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, are you the sister of the Angela Merkel, or what is going on here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Germans are here. I can't do the German accent, guys.
Do you have the papers? I do have the papers. Ken Jam, that is still my absolute favorite knock-knock joke.
Oh, I clearly don't know it.
You don't know that?
We will ask the questions. No.
You don't know that one? Okay. Well, I probably shouldn't be telling it on stream, so.
Okay.
I'll tell you after the stream. You remind me.
All right. Okay.
It's great.
I'm looking forward to it.
Estrade says you sounded Indian. Did I?
Misty, no, I'm not German.
Are you stupid?
Why are you silent? Oh, because I'm not going to answer your stupid question. I'm clearly not German.
Are you a Misty or a Mister?
I am Australian. I'm Australian and I'm not German, not even. I'm maybe part Dutch. I don't know. I really want to do an ancestry thing to find out because I'm definitely got Dutch in me.
It's funny because in Swiss German, a Dutch is an idiot.
I'm not a Dutch then.
You're part Dutch.
Part Dutch. Damn it. Yeah.
Misty, are you stupid? We're responding to you all the time.
Why does he always give off chaotic energy? He's always just so stressed. Colleen, are you German? Why are you silent? Misty, Nick, check Misty. Just imagine him being the most stressed person.
Well, Marcos, in person it would be even better, and you know why, but I'll still tell her after.
I'm just gonna have to look it up now. I can't wait.
No, don't. It's funnier if you don't.
Oh, okay. I will ask the questions.
Fully Trading says, what strategy is this? Nick! Add and pray. Yeah, it's just add and pray. I'm just praying over here.
At this point, NQ is playing both of us around because we're just going nowhere.
Well, you're nowhere. Nice.
Yeah, but we need to see this drop, or I don't really like it hanging around these levels. This is my Asia low. So all those 15-minute wicks that we're leaving behind, looking at this Asia low sweep, previous day high, retracing to previous day high there, bounce off. I don't know if we're gonna get the follow through, but we shall see.
Amir says, you guys trolled us. I was dead ass waiting for that guest to show up. Dude, in our schedule it says there's a guest coming, so I don't know where he is, but not here.
Yes. Guest trolled us. I think guest is not even in the country.
Could be.
Tired already, sir?
Yes.
Oh, wait. I get it. It's because you slept at the desk today. Makes sense.
Bogdan, no, not that guest. The Vision Aries says, maybe I'm the guest. Well, are you? MX Mo says, what in the cringe cosplay is this? Well, we got the Grand Cup going on. So.
Cosplay, that's funny.
What in the cringe username are you? Amir, it would have been, I'll reveal it. It would have been Kane, but I think he's at a wedding in Greece, so.
Or he's either flying back. I remember he said he was there for the weekend and he was going to fly in and out, but we will have him back.
Yeah,
at some point. Bogdan, shut the hell up.
Yes, Bogdan, great question or suggestion.
Moving on. Yes, Amir, maybe he just saw the market and he said, nope, I don't want to trade this today. So he's not coming on.
Just for fun says, we chopping again. What is this? Well, contraction leads to expansion, so a move will be coming. Tim De La Hoy says, I'm off 20k. Good job, Celine.
Justin, the troll, the joke is on you because you have to have your name like that for 2 weeks now. And the joke's going to be over by the next day when I have my new opponent. So I'm sorry for that. You did that to yourself.
Chat.
When is it?
We need likes. We need a lot of likes. We're at 622. We need 801.
There is a lot of likes that we need. A lot.
Justin made an alt account. He's smart. The joke's on you, Celine.
What the hell?
That was
now
smart.
I know how much effort you go to, Justin, just to troll me. It's like, it's amazing.
I respect it. I respect the trolling.
How do I see it? Joined May 26. Yep, that is Justin.
Yep.
Oh boy. Whatever, Justin, you win.
Lucky Mon says, Colleen, will you do an MTV Cribs-like episode of your new place? Do you have your place now, by the way?
It's in the works. We're talking with agents. But
Well, you're moving next week, you're aware, right?
Yes, but we can stay. We are planning to stay with my partner's family for the first week or so while we sort out our,
Well, I'm looking forward to see you in Miami. Oh, wait, no, you're not coming. Huh.
Yeah. Nick, you don't have to rub it in, okay? That's not my entire fault. Take that up with the big boss.
Well, he's coming.
Well, because he's not moving country right at the time.
Well.
Carl Hasselblad.
That kills people.
Carl says, you probably said slim, but you're short, right? What is a TP? Yes, I'm in a short. Full TP. TP1 has been taken already. So we have secured profits, break even on the rest. And the full TP is at daily open around 29,676.50.
Brandon says first week or so, 6 months later, and she's still there. That's funny.
No, there's heaps of properties we can take, but I'm being like really particular. Like we want to obviously go into a place that we love. So it's easier to do inspections and all that once you're there, but it's pretty quick in Greece.
True.
Like it's pretty quick to get things done.
Are you looking at a house or an apartment?
A house. With like
she balling, chat.
Well, it's not just that. Like I've lived in the apartment. Like I've done apartments for the last couple years, I'd say. Like whilst I've been traveling, like Bali last year and Asia the year before and Europe, and I just need space. I feel like I need to have like a big size kitchen now, full size living room, multiple bedrooms, separate office. Like I need all the space now. It's just time. But I mean, I know you call yours an apartment, but that is more like you have a decent size apartment. Like that would be fine. But I think that's harder to find in Greece.
It's decent, yeah. Well, Marcos, you're right. Excuses. We all know someone is too afraid to be in town and having to play paddle. That's exactly what this is.
Yeah, that's it. You got me, Marcos. You got me.
Good night, Brandon. See you tomorrow.
Hey, good night, Mario Kart King.
Justin, that's also true. It's a true statement. But that's still an apartment, is it?
That is true.
I would argue a penthouse is still an apartment.
Hey, there was a program on TV the other night that was on SBS, and it was this, happened to be, it was on TV at my dad's place, and he was watching it. It was a Switzerland episode where they were in Lucerne, and it was the train drivers. I don't know, they were talking about, it was in English, I think, but they were like showing Lucerne, and they were like showing the train ride, and I don't know, something about it was an SBS documentary or something.
Really?
Yeah, it was cool. I was like, oh, that's where Nick lives.
Yeah.
They look cool.
Yeah.
Very green.
Yeah. Dang, what's that raccoon doing in the chat?
Oh.
Trader Sue, Nick, your apartment looks awesome in the reels. I'm like, thanks. Rent must be expensive. Well, define expensive.
I think you've said it before, the rent there. What is that like?
It's actually not, for what we get, it's not that expensive. I feel like.
How many square meters is it? I want to compare with Greece actually. How much square meters?
158, I think.
Oh yeah, you can rent that for like, but penthouse. I feel like 2,000 euro in Greece. You could probably find.
Dang, that's cheap.
How many rooms?
Well, Switzerland is a bit weird when it comes to rooms because the living room counts as 1.5.
Oh yeah, it's like Germany.
So we technically have 5.5. Well, yeah, Justin, 2,000 euros would be amazing for that.
But although like you're in a penthouse, so maybe like a little bit more, maybe like 3,000 euro for like the really nice views. But yeah, Greece is nice like that. You can get a nice place, be situated in a nice.
I would only pay 3K a month. I would be very happy.
Well, come to see Lonaika. There, I said it.
She's Lonaika, she knows. Justin says that Nick pays 6.
Yeah, I'd say around 6 US.
No more. Not much more though.
6, 7.
6, 7, yeah. It's pretty much around 7. Well, it's like a little bit more than 7K. However, it does include a parking spot.
That is important.
Well, NQ, if the market please go up.
Or somewhere, at least. I don't even mind if it goes up. Just do something. Still holding my short here, but there are so many weeks now. I mean, in either direction, the 15-minute just looks really, really bad. Just a lot of consolidation happening here. Wicks to the downside, wicks to the upside. A little bit indecisive.
Justin says the market is stuck. The market is never stuck. Expansion leads to contraction leads to expansion.
I just have to keep like dragging out my position tool here because I'm still holding. Are we really gonna leave the NWOG though?
The what?
The gap? Like I thought we would head for that gap, but
I don't know.
There's nothing happening here. What? Justin. Contractions lead to birth. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
What news do we have today? What news? No news. What? Do I have these filters right? Oh, hold on. Wait. Oh, we have no red folder US news.
Usually, how's the weather there, Nick? It's nice. Summer's here. Good.
When Nick says nice, let's see. Lucerne weather. Lucerne weather right now. Oh, 24 degrees. Okay, that's actually nice. Perfect weather. How did you enjoy the weekend? I saw the sun was out. Did you go for a bike ride or something?
Well, I was fighting with my nephew.
Oh yeah, that's right.
We went there by inline skates, which was kind of cool. It was nice.
By what?
Inline? You don't know inline skates? Roller skates?
Oh yeah, roller skates. That is so fun. That's sick.
That was cool. It was hot though. Really hot.
How far was it?
Like 30 minutes.
Damn.
Yeah.
It was a long way to roller skate.
Yeah, but it was nice. It was nice.
Cool.
And then what else did I do? Oh, we went to the lake to swim.
Nice.
That was nice too. What did you do?
That's cool. So you can actually swim in the, because I was gonna say, like, what do? You obviously don't have the beach, so like.
No, but we have the lakes, and the lakes are like super clean. You can literally drink the water out of the lake.
Wow, let me look this up.
It's like glass.
It's probably cleaner than our beaches here in Melbourne, honestly. The beaches here
I would argue so, yeah.
Oh, wow. Are you serious? I'm looking up Lake Lucerne.
Wait, pull it up on screen. I'm wondering what you're looking at.
I'm looking at this. Lake Lucerne. Lucerne. Look at that.
Yeah,
what the hell?
There we go. If you go to that city image, like in the bottom right.
Where?
Yeah, one to the right now. Back up.
Where?
Back up. The one of the city. That's not a city. The one
Okay.
in the bottom right now.
Okay.
No, okay. Well, forget about it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, there we go. That's where I live.
Wow. It's it's a fairyland over there. I need to go there. It looks so nice that there's not like modern buildings. I love that about Switzerland.
I like modern buildings more though.
Really? Because see, I think it's like case of like you want what you don't have, because I've had modern buildings my whole life. Like look at Melbourne City. It's so much more. Melbourne City. Like this is Melbourne City.
That's wow, Sweden is nice. No, this looks sick. I prefer that. This is so fire.
Oh, I'm so over this. Like,
no, I like that.
I don't want to just look at freaking concrete jungle. Like,
but that's the cool thing. Our apartment is kind of like this, yet we are in the environment of Switzerland, which is nice.
Yeah, that's true. You're in a nice building.
Have you been to Lauterbrunnen? Yes, Justin. Yes, I have.
I think the longs might be coming into play now. Nick, I feel like I'm gonna go stop break even on this.
Let's see.
Just got a feeling. Yeah, troops. I much prefer the older buildings. But that's probably because I've been in Melbourne my whole life. I'm over it. Go over to Queensland, New Zealand. You know what my friend told me about, Nick? She's going to it on a snow trip to New Zealand, and there's a festival in the snow where they have like a DJ.
Yeah, we have that too.
Have you ever heard? That's so sick. I've never heard of that.
That festival actually was when I first launched in Switzerland. They were a client of my video agency. We did the promotion for them.
Oh wow, that is sick.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to go. I can't wait for the winter in Europe. I'm getting my ski outfits together. I'm going to start skiing. I'm going to become a pro skier, guys. You wait.
Do you ever go to Tasmania? Asks Rahul.
I lived there for 4 years, Rahul, actually.
Rahul, that was right after she lived in China.
Yes, right after China. China.
China, huge.
But I didn't really go back much after that. That was from like 2003 to like 2007 as a kid. But it was nice. It's much different to Melbourne. Very different.
Mm-hmm.
Nick's probably like, where is Tasmania? Do you know what Tasmania is, Nick?
If you would put a gun to my head and I had to guess, then I would guess like anywhere closer to New Zealand, but I have no idea, to be honest.
No, he doesn't know. No one really knows. It's like with the map of Australia, it's like the little island underneath that sits like in between Antarctica and Australia.
Okay. Yep.
It's a little island.
Okay, but it is closer to New Zealand.
No, it's not, Nick. You're wrong. You didn't know what it was, and you're wrong.
Well, you didn't ask me in comparison to what. It is closer to New Zealand than Switzerland.
Okay, all right, you can have that.
No, you're right. I told you. Like I don't know. That was just my guess. All right, we're still in the trade. Thank you. At 780 right now.
Mm-hmm.
My average entry is 818. Where's your break even stop?
811.50.
Oh, okay.
I'm not really getting anywhere here, really. Whoa, chat. 636 likes. I don't think that's gone up at all since I last checked.
No, it's pretty bad.
It's broken. We need 801 likes for the next giveaway.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying. I could be in this trade for a long time.
Well, I've been in this trade for over 10 hours.
Do you have any plans to add into this, or what are you thinking?
We'll see how it moves. Right now, I'm just observing.
Mm-hmm.
Russell says, gotta earn them like dance monkeys.
Oh, Carmank, you must be new here.
Yeah.
How are we getting more likes and people in here? Receipts, Nick. Receipts.
Don't you worry, I already got it.
Okay.
Don't you worry. Oh, New York session is gonna be a feast. It's gonna be a feast.
Enjoy that. I wish I was there for the feast.
I got, wait, let's see. 10 already.
It's gonna be some feast in the New York session. All right, guys. Maybe a few of you don't understand how the likes work. Maybe you're new here. So let me tell you, once only. It doesn't matter how many people are right now watching the stream, because once someone likes, the like stays. So if they drop in, they like the stream, and they want to drop out for whatever reason, they can. Their like will still be there. So it doesn't matter if there's less viewers at the time that we're asking for 801 likes, because it doesn't matter. That's all. If you understand the logic, you understand. If you don't, I cannot help you beyond that.
Facts.
Russell, you are only trading this session. Celine, you might as well give up your 5k bounty right now. Russell, did you not listen to anything I said? Okay, this is going to be a big week for me. I'm planning to trade all 3 sessions, Russell. So actually, my Aussie opponent, if he's watching, he's got to do a lot to catch me. I'm going to be trading a lot. I think that's the only way I can survive.
Survival of the fittest.
Yes.
AG Trader says, I have a feeling it's going to be an awkward London stream on Thursday. Why?
Because AG Trader keeps saying that I'm going to bust out after the first date. What a
Well,
veggie
it could
trader.
be. It could be. Mixter, you're gonna miss your knockout duel. Dang, free money for your opponent. Why are you not my opponent?
Mo says, I'm so gutted I didn't draw Slim, would have been the easiest 5K. Mo, good luck, brother. I mean, I just took a win, so I don't know about easy.
Troop says, I'm guessing that you're wearing the hats because you're outlaws that have bounties if you're beaten. My friend, you have brain cells that actually work.
Yes, that is correct. Just for fun, I didn't live in China. Please don't listen to Nick. I did not live in China.
Mark, why do we have opposite trades? Well, because Celine trades her system and I trade my system, and sometimes that leads to opposite trades.
Gifting, can you look at my bracket group? I may have an easy run. My name is on it is Gifting. All right, let's check you out, Gifting. Let's see who you got.
Roman, let's
Who do you
go
have?
to Celine's screen.
Twitter_Gifting. Is that you? Because there's no one just called Gifting. He literally said my name is Gifting.
He says, yeah.
Ooh. All right, well, you could potentially be versing. Where are you? Gifting. Twitter Gifting. If you make it through your first day, then you win winner of that. You could be potentially versing Brian Stonk if you get far enough.
Mm-hmm.
That's not so easy. Just saying. So there is a bounty in sight for you. That's fun.
I could potentially get a bounty on day 2. Potentially. If everything works out, I'll collect 5K and win.
That's gonna be a nice. I mean, well, Lim is part of the Tradeify gang as well, so I can't be on either. I can't be like, say, I want you to win, because then I feel bad.
Well, we're London co-hosts. What are you talking about?
All right, fine. I'm on Team Nick for that one.
I'm gonna root for
that
you
one.
in the Grand Cup. I'm gonna root for you in the Grand Cup until you verse me. Then it's a different story.
All right, that's true. All right, Nick, I'm with you. Let's go. Let's take it out. Let's take out this whole competition until the end. And then we get the battle of the century.
Troops, yes, there's a list of outlaws. Right here.
Herman, we can go to Nick's screen.
Why is it not? That makes no sense.
Roman
is sleeping today.
Roman, we can switch to Nick's screen when you're ready.
Roman.
No, yeah, maybe you have to say it in a Russian voice.
Roman. Very sweet screen to mine, brother, bled. Thank you.
There we go.
All right, here the outlaws, troops.
Ooh, some big names in there. Oh, this trade. Wait for real. Interesting. No follow through.
Let's see.
Let's see. I hope so. That means Nick and I both get a TP in here.
Oh, yeah. You know it. You know it, lady.
Whereabouts is Rips? Like in the brackets? You want to know? I'm going to show you where Rips is. Rips is versing Dr. Savar _FX in the first round. That is where Rips is. First day. It's not first round, it's first day. All right. We could kind of tell this NQ move was going to... Look at this rejection of that Asia low. All these wicks. Go on NQ, just rip it off. I think I'm going to get stop break even on this. I'm in a little bit of profit. I did drag my stop. But I would have hoped that it made the move for that gap already. So it's okay for it wants to come and take me out. It's not the time for the bears.
It's okay. By the way, Celine, in case you haven't, checked Slack real quick. Does look like the chat is going to hit 801 likes.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That is not a good day for Tradeify TV. Come on, chat. Like, we want to give you guys accounts, but you have to do the work. This sucks. 686? Nah. I told you it was a big like target though. Hey, we did.
It was a big one, but I thought, hey, this chat, they can do it. Let's go, you know? The Google form says, hit the like if you want me.
That guy.
He's funny.
That was so funny the first time when he did it.
Mixter, no reward for qualifying. You have to survive day one for a reward. I want to see the look on that person's face who's facing Brett in his first battle.
I know, that poor guy. I wonder if he's a viewer of the stream.
I still think it's a good thing though, because Brett doesn't have a lot of time.
Where is he? Nando. Oh, Nando. Poor guy.
Nando. Click on Nando real quick.
You can't.
Oh, you can? Okay.
No.
Mikey G will face him, says Roman. Well, no, because Mikey G didn't even qualify for round 2.
Oh my gosh, I hope he's here.
Yeah.
Mikey, good old Mikey.
No. Well, Grandpa, are you even in round 2? What's your username?
Wait, Grandpa, you made it?
Lobster
You
rolls.
didn't tell us?
Lobster rolls. I will tell you how to enter the Google form. How to enter the giveaway, but it's not time yet. You need to hit 801 likes first. And I'm leaving 5 minutes early today, so you better
We
get
don't
your
have
shit
a lot of
together.
time. Because you all know I don't have the spin the wheel. So once Nick leaves,
I
your
do
chances
the
is...
scrolly method.
I could. But I know you guys hate the scrolly.
Drop says, no, I only got my name the last day. I hear excuse us. Not true, Palash. We did hit over 800 likes in previous streams. Ooh, Celine, you will meet Brett in round 4 potentially.
Yeah, so look, this is the situation. I'm trying to work out that myself when I'll be traveling because if that's a day I'm on my flight.
See, that's the chat. I told you, excuses.
Oh, come on, Nick. Look, this is the situation. We're not going to tell Brett because he'll get excited. But this could potentially be the case. What is happening here? Go away. So you're saying that the traveling is going to be the problem? Wait, just hold, please. Winner of day 1 moves to here. Winner of day 2. Winner of day 2 versus here. Winner of day 3. Winner of day 4. Here. Day 5. No, day 5. What will that be? That will be... Tomorrow is the... One moment. Day 5. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 4, day 5. Oh, it's the day that I land in Greece, which London session is that morning. I will just land in time for the Grand Cup that morning. For the London session, that is.
So you're saying?
I should be okay.
You should be okay? Great.
But like that full Monday is going to be hard. That round before. If I do make it through that day 4, the Monday, is going to be tough.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, imagine if I was in Miami with you guys and Brett and I were up against each other.
That would be fun, though.
That would be fun. Mixed 7 wants to know if we would have met head to head. Let's see. Oh, where are you at?
7.
No, we wouldn't have. You have the potential to come up against the Big Daddy Max.
Ooh.
It comes to it. But not till later. That's not until like if you make it all the way through to qualifiers. No, quarterfinals. Sorry, qualifiers.
Quarterfinals.
Get Hannah to trade for you. All right, Wesley, let me have some hope around here. I'm not going to go into the tournament with that attitude, Wesley, all right? You don't know me. I take this very seriously.
Lulz.
So no giveaway then. Chat, no giveaway.
It looks like it. I mean, no second giveaway. We did one, to be fair.
True.
We did one.
Oh, is this the guy up against Brett in round 1 on day 1? A Mark 08P.
Is it? I don't know.
He said, Nick, any advice for me? Brett is against me. Any advice? That must be the guy. Run.
Could be. Run, boy.
Is that you, Nando?
Nando. Fernando. Sí, señor. Ay.
Here we go. Break even incoming.
Well, I like that. For me. Not for you, for me.
Yeah, I think we're getting the reversal to the upside now.
You think?
All this rejection, this nice like looking sweep of Asia low, all these wicks. It definitely looks like it wants to go higher. Just do it already. Oh, come on. Seriously, NQ, just hit me. Take me out.
Do it.
Mr. Drop. Meow, 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 meow. Well, not quite. We secured profits on this. We're in a funded account, so that's why I'm protecting the rest of this, but we did secure.
True.
We secured the bag.
True. Back security. No. It's Destiny Samson. How many contracts have you taken out, Butcher? 0. But I'll keep you updated on this trade in the New York session today, because I'll probably still be in it by then.
It's going to be a feast when he brings out those receipts, so you want to be there.
We'll see. Maybe they're all right. What are we going to do then?
Chat is never right.
Yeah. Sometimes they are. What they don't realize is I don't trade to get out of a trade within the next 5 minutes. I've been in this for 10 hours and I'll be in it for another 10 if I have to. I don't care.
I really don't know how you did that. I could never.
Just
Roman has put a poll in there.
We can't trade silver in a Grand Cup, bro. You gotta end the poll and do it again. Do NQ, ES, gold, or oil?
Oil. Hey, Andre's in the chat. Morning, Andre. You've been quiet.
Yeah. Celine, I gotta go. You already carry the chat to the finish line here. I said, chat, I'll update you on the trade in the New York stream. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll see you there. Well, I'll see you at 9, but I'll see you there. And yeah, Celine, I'll see you tomorrow.
I will see you. See you in the first day of the Grand Cup. Round 2.
Hell yeah.
All right.
See ya.
Peace. Bye. All right. All right, chat. Let's talk about it. What the hell is going on here with NQ? I was 1 tick from that break even. 29,811.5. Sorry, 2 ticks away from that break even. And we're still in this, so it's not over till it's over. Now, the plan is I'm going to be holding this trade. I don't know if I will get that gap fill that I'm after, but that is the total draw on this trade. I'm aiming for that daily open. Some of you were saying that that's an aggressive TP, and fair enough. But if we look at the daily candle, there is like a tiny little bottom wick there. So I'm expecting a bit more of a flip on this candle, but I mean, we'll see what we can get. NQ looking like it wants to make the reversal now. And that's also okay. We have to trade with what we've got. But any updates on how chat, who you guys were, I know some of you were in your shorts with me. I mean, are you guys planning to hold? Are you taking TP early? Like, what have you done? I mean, I can definitely say that taking the TP at 1-to-1 was definitely a good way to go about this, because this can happen. You're not going to always get the follow through that you want. So securing the profits early and then going break even has saved my accounts many times. Roman, your mic is on in the back, by the way. Andrea says, morning. I was here all morning, but got a bit busy with some other tasks. Managed to grab some gold sales, and that was it for me. Hell yeah, Andrea. I knew you would have been here, but that's all good. I get it. Sometimes you guys, you have busy lives as well. You can't always be watching Tradeify TV, although we wish you were here. AI Mark said, sorry, I'm going for sleep. I mean, that's fair, because this market is making me want to sleep too. I mean, what even is this? We look like we were going to make the move to the downside, and now we are just looking like we want to reverse. I mean, after seeing this Asia low sweep, this looks like a clean liquidity sweep and then move to go higher. So that's why I'm happy going the break even here, because if I'm wrong at this point. Celine, your trade got one half. What? What's your question? Anders says, I wish you'd close that short. Don't like to be trading in opposite direction of you. I mean, Nick's been in longs this whole time. I think longs can definitely play out here today. For sure. It's just a matter of when. And I think it could be happening now. This looks like a very clean liquidity sweep action of Asia low. Look at this Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row, like struggling to get below this level and just closing back above it. So it was looking very strong around this Asia low level, and as you can see, we have bought up since then and continuing to. So I am like pretty much expecting the break even here on this trade, but have managed to secure the profits earlier on. So if we didn't get the follow through, we are all good. Drop says New York Stock Exchange, what the hell out of it. Well, yeah, with the gap still there, I think we can still drop to the gap. That could be the play to look for. But as said, if it's not going to happen now, I'm not going to force anything. I will trade the rest of the day as usual, and just see what New York brings. Because, guys, it is Grand Cup round 2 starting tomorrow. So you all know I'm going to have to be starting to trade New York session, Asia session, all of it to keep up with the rest of you. So you'll see me out there in the Grand Cup. Thank you guys for an amazing session today. I can't wait for tomorrow. Make sure if you are in the round 2 head-to-head, you guys are ready to get locked in. It's going to be a wild week, or 2 weeks, even 10 days. It's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to update you all on all of it. All right, there we go. Break even on the rest there. Let me just close those orders. But that's a green on the day. That's still a green day. So thanks for the stream. Thanks for the session, chat. Love you all. Be there tomorrow for day 1 of the official round 2 of Grand Cup 2. So I love you all. Peace out, and I'll catch you 7 a.m. tomorrow.